No, sir. It's a pleasure to Antaga. Shan! Shan! No, sir. Shan!
Yeah.
Come here, come here. Oh, make your place look so. You necessary place want tidy up.
But then my job that.
What mean none of your job that?
Remember your mother, I know, remember me small.
That not nothing to do with it.
What you mean
What
by?
you think me have you for? Eh?
But me not reach a stage yet to clean up your house.
You how much? You're a big old girl. You're supposed to know if you do everything by now. When me the little, me know if you do everything when me there for your age. So if I me like her, tidy up your place. Me go up on the road and come back. You hear me say? Make sure so when me come back your place tidy up.
Yeah,
and
it a go
me
tidy. It a go tidy.
Alright.
Go tidy. No tidy up nothing. She'll come back and see the place same so. Cause she if clean up the place. But she gone pan road. Yeah. And she a mother. And she if do everything. Cook, wash everything she if do. Me not do nothing. Come on to you.
Alright. You just say you can't put your clothes them in one basket though.
Me have the energy there. You can't do it for me.
Please. I'll do it for you but right now.
Alright.
Come. What? Come up with the bed now.
Alright, put the bed now. You know, we can go beach together in there, yeah? Shanice!
How that?
Ashad.
Oh, come now. What go on?
Yeah, clean up.
No, me not clean, me done. She got fed up here. What happened?
No, them yard, I'm a boy. I'm saying I come with you.
Oh, me not do nothing, so we can go somewhere.
We'll go on the road, yeah?
Or go beach together or whatever.
Anyway. Mama, it don't look like me can't go road too. Remember they go that way, you know? Two of we are same age group.
You don't see all of that way?
Right. That two people if come road, I don't fit on a yard.
No, you fit stay home. We are good on a beach.
Come on, come on, Miss Shaw.
Put up in bed and wash out the plate them and make sure you cook mackerel with the rice. Me soon come back.
Yeah, so come go hungry so we want food.
Yeah, we soon come back.
What? Every time I get a come on the yard, come haul up my sister out the yard, you know. Me not like her.
Amanda. How are you did there?
You're there still living?
What a question.
No, I'm not.
What kind of friend you be? You're gone and you not even said nothing at all to me.
No, girl. Me not gone, no. It's just that me hard to come out. Nah, me still there, me yard.
You still there, yard?
Me not move. Me not come out. Me not have nowhere to go.
So how life I treat you?
As you can see, good. How about you?
I'm great. Me have a daughter too.
I lie.
Yeah, me have a daughter.
Have you the same nigga?
No, me and that the guy that break up after Papa.
I lie.
Yeah.
So your daughter how old?
She's 13.
Oh, so you and him still good?
Of course, what we do? We live a house together. Oh,
Nothing. Me
So not
happy, me happy for you.
oh,
Yeah,
what
me
boss?
happy for you and you look good too.
Oh, thank you.
For your woman, we have a pitney, you look good.
Damn.
You know some woman have pitney and they look, you know?
Yeah,
Pack down, you look nice. When I tell you like.
thanks. But
So where
anyway,
Papa there?
me want to know Papa there.
Me
Papa
just
there work.
ask. Oh,
Yeah.
you take care of your pitney?
Oh, what kind of question?
I'm just
them
asking. It's just a simple
Hey,
question.
I have to take care of Pitney once we live a house together. You never get the part there, you get it now? Together, we live together. You get it?
Yeah, I get it.
Anyway, I shop me
Anyways, me a come go shop. Yeah, me a go shop. You know, it was nice meeting you still.
Alright. Why is she a move like that? Interesting.
I'm tired, man. I can't tired, so no, sir.
What's
I think I'm here alone.
Wait there, girl. I saw a man.
I'm a sister, man.
No business about that. Sister don't have to know.
What you gonna do with him?
We a sister do with him.
My sister, oh, little sister young.
The same thing way sister can do, me can do.
Seen there.
Anyways. Hello, what's your name?
What's that job one name call me though?
My name is Sean.
Sean? Nice name, that's Sean. You say I did an idea.
You know, I see you, I like you, from just stop. Because my friend I walk on the road and I go down. So I like you, I say, yeah, I have to stop there, so. Say the pan.
Yeah, go on and ease himself a look out of me airball them, you know?
So you do right here,
Oh,
so.
manners.
I ease myself a look out of me airball them.
You can't give me a number.
Give me a number right now though.
Then we have.
Not right now. I look on easy.
Me see you have a woman, so how you text her?
Now we live together.
That means nothing can connect then.
It's only a so lie, no?
Lie with her.
What go on now?
Now you kill her there. I have one other woman.
How go on now, Shorty?
How much money you have?
We not know woman. One woman.
You don't.
Anyways, you see her? She's 13. She's 13 years old. Let me tell you, because she don't want to tell you.
Up on tattoo, so I'm bore up, so.
Yeah,
Alright,
cause
how we be taking have a tattoo and
she
go up
let go.
everything?
Then let her go for she 10.
So kind of parents you have, so?
A
She
liar.
don't have no parents. Her father Romed.
A liar. I'm not 13 years old.
Yeah, how much?
Me 17.
You look
You
17.
see if you know, you know what? Okay, you must feel.
Next time you say, yeah, I'm
Yeah,
here
man.
we talk.
Yeah.
Come on, girl.
Hold them.
You love too much man. No. Listen to me. It's when me and you walk. If you see man, you not see none. You go see man and allow them alone.
So
You're
wait,
13
wait,
and you're
wait.
14 and me not chat to man like how you chat to man.
No, wait. So, yeah, try to tell me, say, if you see one girl, the best thing to do is stop to a girl than a man.
Me never tell you to talk to a guy. Make man talk to you first.
No, girl. Sometimes we have to approach them.
No, we not desperate, girl. When you walk with me, you make man approach you first. Oh.
I have a prank.
To show you I'm serious, never put up no bed. No bed. Mon.
My sister,
Ah,
me can't
No,
put juice
sister,
come
me.
for you.
I don't even want your drink.
You're
darling.
lucky.
Mama. Maybe God, I realize I am an idiot. I'm a real fool.
You just know.
God, yes. God, me bigger than you. If you can say one gone on road.
Tell me I'm gonna be beach and come back.
Yeah, na beach.
No.
Hello. Mommy gone foreign and me left in charge. Me a big woman in a this and me they run this. And you pick up say one gone on road. I eat my face and give me tough chat, girl. Proper bed.
Not pred none.
Mama, bed. No. Ready up. Put up his Chinese and not
Oh, give you strength.
Hey, mama. Me say put up your bed. Put up your bed before I lick off your head. You go up on the road and look waist, girl.
That's why she gonna take you, man.
She can't take me, mommy, and a man for she take. You think that my
You
man
sure?
job would want her? You think my man job would want that? Put up your bed and argument with me. You're too rank. You're little pitney. I'm tired of you now. I'm a big one in this. Me big.
Pred no.
Put up your bed. Right. As some women used to do me. And that they used to do me. Pred bed, girl.
Now
Pred
run your
bed.
friend, yeah.
Run me go now. You know, run me go now. No.
Run me and go live with that
God,
man.
if you come in like say, you're something done there so they jump.
Feather the penny saying I must jump.
Okay, feel like a big man. Make me say you use your road. Me go show you me your mom.
Right in and me I use it.
Cause you think you're so bad. You have too much attitude. And nothing back of it. Nothing at all back of it.
See not even you can spread one bed.
No.
Not even that you can do.
Me spread the bed. But show me what say me bigger. And me and I yard so good. Me little girl can take you out of the yard.
So nobody now come for you.
My man soon come for me. No worry about that proper bed.
Your man gone with the same waist, girl.
Me not listen to what you say, mama. Proper bed. Okay, you talk to me like say me. You say that me is no, so I'm not for licking in your head. Make mama feel. You hear? Prop bed.
So
And
they
sweep up the
abandon
house.
you. Me not
Not
sweep
even the
out
food
none.
me no cook. And you go and cook it today. Spread bed. Spread the bed.
Me
And
done.
today you go and cook your food in this. I mean, not laugh. Where you gone pa road? Ramp with me, girl.
Uplift me.
Don't sure say me bigger than you. What the hell? Me bigger than you. And me a bigger one. Me bigger. 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 But you can't pan road.
No, tell me by you.
Pretty bed. No. Me not laugh with the pretty bed. But you got a road with friend. Friend? What friend they know? Hurry up.
I'm gone
Play
with
one
your
wash.
man.
Play one wash. You talk about man. My man no want that. Play one wash, you know.
You can't do so much something.
And the food no cook.
Me
Hurry up.
hungry.
Hurry up, mama, hurry up. But you gonna road. And left me here. And me for the girl road, I left you here. Perfect bed. Hurry up.
No bed.
Take it up. Take it. What's wrong with you? Perfect bed.
Hungry.
More hungry. I cheat me go call me man.
What people man you have?
Make me come back in here. And the bed no spread. And the food no cook. And the plate no wash. You hear? Hurry up.
Jesus Christ. You look a girl really not tied up a place? You know, say father go come home and answer this door and he go cause problem in our house. Alright. No me I do. Why you not tidy up a place? I'm tell you to tidy up a place. Your father so coming now?
So me tell you to do it because I you to do them some here.
What you mean you tell me to do it? Hello, when me talk to you, you feel listen me. Your mother, you know? Me and your mother and me carry come here and you bring me come here.
Yeah, so you have to
So
tell
anytime, hey, when me a talk, you listen. So anytime I tell you to do something, you're supposed to do it. You don't have to ask no question if you do it. No, you and your father got in a problem.
Greetings,
Jesus Christ.
greetings. I ain't lie. Greetings. Wagwan here. Wagwan.
Me tell her daughter say if you tidy up a place, me a go up on the road go deal with something and come back and she don't do nothing. Me
So-
come back and see place same way.
You-
See there me have to go do it now.
You tell the eye, say, if you clean up the place, right?
Yes.
And the eye don't clean up the place. So when the eye they are the whole day.
I don't know, see her there in front of you
When the
outside.
eye I do your whole day. I don't clean up the place.
But me tell her she to do them something there.
Listen, you don't tell your mother that. I don't grow you so. And your mother spoil you. You see, look at time you make your mother go on vacation. You come back with 2 nose purse. You come back with tattoo. You come back with the ears and praise 2 times. I don't deal with them Babylon system there. I don't raise no all that. You understand what I say?
Yeah.
Why meaning you put on tattoo? What lucky give you?
Fashion.
Last time I deal with nothing in
Why
fashion.
you heart down on the picnic so far?
That is the reason why she put on tattoo, because I wasn't there to harp down on him like that. You give her the
But I
chance.
fear choice. She
Choice
want
at
do it
13.
so-
Choice at 13. You don't have no choice until you leave this house. If you want to live under this roof, you don't have no choice of your own. Not with your mother. Because if your mother cooking, she have to call me and make sure, notify me what's cooking.
Here.
You notice there's 2 different pots in here.
Okay.
One for vegetable and one for food. No idiot meat you not eat. You understand? So you see next time I hear say you fi clean up the place and I come cut the place dirty, I go chop off your hair.
Chop off what? Like something wrong with you. Make you not go cut for your locks. You want to cut off my picnic here. What wrong with you?
Cause the I wear fake dread. I don't wear fake. You know, it's fake.
So your locks not
I
fake?
style.
I will just call it eye locks. I fake you just call my locks fake. Eh? You know how long I grow this? Eh?
And it looks so?
That's nice.
You better warn her, you know. Because I don't
Sorry,
want
sorry.
to call down Jack tonight here in the day.
Alright, done.
Look at y'all. Start clean up. Start. Fuck up. Right. Come on, run for that. And tattoo in the back.
Leave your little girl alone.
Everything
man.
you'll
Look
find
up at me,
problem.
make it survive now.
Jesus.
Listen to me. You see, anytime the eye breathe in this house, the eye will no longer live here. And if the eye find out that you are tech man, the eye will no longer live here. You will live at homes.
Who was send me at homes?
The eye. Who else?
Oh.
Me get no
Remember,
alright.
don't tell me for me not going.
Stop it, nice. Listen to me. Leave her alone. Me
a
done tied up the place already.
Me a give you 1 week to straighten him out. If you don't straighten out this girl, me myself.
So, me lean?
Yes, you lean, mama. From the moment you go your nose, you put on tattoo, you lean. You do not reach the age of government law. You put on tattoo. You. I want me to think a man, you're lucky.
Where you want? Where you come home so early, by the way?
I just release myself from work because I don't feel good.
What wrong with you?
The eye them cook pork today and I don't eat pork, so I don't feel good. I just tell the boss and me I go.
So what wrong with pork? You better than pork?
Imagine what real rest about we not eat meat, vegetable alone. That doesn't even make sense. Because who in this world don't eat meat?
Your father.
The eye full of teeth. The eye want to lose some teeth. Open up your mouth again. Say something. Say something before me come out of the house.
Don't say nothing. Make him go on. Go on, later.
Anyway, I look at money for borrow.
Yeah.
Until I get paid. You don't worry about that.
How much money? Why every time you borrow money from me? Me not like this, you know? Me don't like it.
The eye ever owe you and don't pay you?
Alright, how much money you want to borrow?
The eye look at 2 grand. Now I go buy a flask of rum and brandy.
So you take your money and buy? Don't say nothing. Stay out of this. This is between me and your father. Rastafari.
Selassie, how will you do? You open the eye mouth again. Chat again. Chat again. Make a box it down your throat hole.
Go on.
If you ever open the eye mouth again, man, yeah, why that you know?
Oh, for me, I call that stopping eyes. But me deal with your father. Go on in your room. Go on in your room. Go on in your room.
You see, I talk to her and you see what you do. You send her in her room.
When you go talk to her, so you know don't talk to her in so long already. What your problem?
I want you.
Leave me pitney alone.
If I
Leave
feel like
me
you
pitney
come in
alone.
and pitney, I go out. Alright.
You know, go on. Because
Alright.
you don't make no sense neither. Every time I come, I borrow. Sean, well, what were you doing?
One game of the playing.
One game I did I play and you're frightened, so as me
Come
come in
in
the
there,
room,
expect you to be some friend and you just put them on.
give me a phone. Open it. Where you get burger?
Daddy buy me.
Your father buy your burger? Your father buy you burger?
Yeah.
And no buy no burger for me? Who this?
One of my friend him.
So now him buy you a burger, carry out a gate come give you. So all you say your father buy
A
your
daddy buy. A daddy buy. And the person meet daddy and come give me.
Why you so lie, little girl? So mean to God, you have sex?
That's why I said that.
Eh? No wonder why you want to bore up your nose and put on tattoo. Because you're a man and you feel like you're a woman. Eh?
I am a woman.
No, you're not a woman, you're a little girl. You're a child. You not even have ID. Girl. You see your papa? You see the Rasta man there? If he ever know say you have sex, trust me, your head belong to him. You understand what I say?
Yeah.
Why you start have sex so soon?
Greetings, I. What are you meeting for?
No, I buy something on video talk about it.
How many times I tell you no can no thing from down that place in the I house unless it's a vegetarian burger.
She tell me say you buy it for her.
Me I go into what I.
Burger King.
I don't go nowhere where beef and meat angle. I don't go there and say, don't this is I. Don't do it. You know when I am buying you anything with food, I send a buy taxi to buy it. I don't go near them places, so oh, I buy it.
I don't know.
Where you get it from?
I want my friend them buy.
Man or woman?
Woman.
Woman. Woman buy it.
Lie.
A woman see and buy it.
Yes.
And buy you it.
Yeah.
So me not have money. Your mother don't have money.
We don't want to buy. I have a friend when we buy it. We're willing to buy, so we beg them.
That's when you talk,
So-
now hold on your head and
So
talk.
what you trying to say? Me or your father not willing to buy it? And that you trying to say
We
right
never
now?
say that. We say my friend will do it. So we just make them buy. So we
What
don't
kind
pressure
of deal you and your friend in that? That's your friend will do it.
Because he's a good friend.
No, let me tell you something. You have some friend, they when them feed you and them clothes you, something in return. If it's a man, in one front. Yes, if it's a woman, in one sell it to somebody.
Exactly.
You hear words say, fatten fall for mangoes. Them are fattening you for something, and I don't want to have to give you this cutlass, you know. You see this cutlass? I don't want to have to give you one. I saw me give you one, I saw me give your mama one.
Put on
Alright, done now, done. Done. I may need to finish this conversation now. You
So, which
understand?
conversation? I'm not involved in it.
Some private.
A mother and daughter.
What could have private in this house here?
We I
What?
mean? We I mean?
In this
Some
house here?
mother, we can have a
Some
mother and daughter
can
talk.
have a talk.
No, when you come on to my house, my residence here where you want to call it, I have to come out of school to take care of it. Because
You know what's to protect yourself.
you
when time you go
know
there.
say you didn't stop me when Nia came. You pull me.
So you know
Me a
what's to pull out.
I was, but you haul me down. Mama, you haul me down.
And if you never want you to push me away, I not do it anyway.
Anyway, this is a one in all left here. Me I go on the road, cause me have a yard work to do. You see me now? I want to pick me decide if you have for the rest of my life. That's why I don't impregnate your mother again. I enter impregnate. Me now anyone you want to be. You see, you now. It's like you tattoo up yourself and you bore your nose, you gone through the door. Me can't talk that again. You up married.
My name is
Me come here come see you with it. And you go a road behind the back go do it. I mean, I know how to take out
You
it.
never there. You never in front of me. You turn your back. Someone do it. Behind your back.
You have mouth. You have mouth. Oh, really? You have mouth. You have mouth. Me have one poop on a ram. Yeah? Anyway, another me I talk about. As we said, me not planting and I'm going to pick me. You own your mother is enough because it one enough.
Only I'm like you, Rasta Giant man.
Me head dry now. I head dry now. Eh?
No, he wait.
As we say now. You see, if you ever think you're bad, vomit. Just vomit in ya.
So what if she
So anybody that can vomit?
Just vomit.
come
So
on
everybody what that's
later.
supposed to
Me
mean?
want to talk to my
Eh?
daughter about
And
something.
vomit what that's supposed to mean?
Yo, if you want to know what it's supposed to mean, vomit. But if you don't want to know, don't vomit. Because if you vomit, the same pain you feel, the same pain your mama go feel. Because it look like say, she don't know if it control you. I'm tell you already set up by Holy Pastor start bringing ya. Rasta man don't eat salt because Rasta start raising nature.
So true, you know eat want salt in your food. We can put salt in our food.
Your father can't tell me that. So I'm not even listen to
We
you
and you
when
are two
talk.
different persons. We eat meat, you eat vegetable.
Why not? Wanna come, I have a feeling.
Put on your machine. Put on
You see
your
that
machine.
26 year, not 28. You see that 26 year? I go and put it across the jawbone. You want an next tattoo? You're going to surely
Go
get
for
one.
picnic, go live with that. You must have crazy, like something wrong with you. Take time and go and back a walk.
So, alright. You're too she over me.
Me not.
I'm her daughter.
So, me and you are.
Your baby father.
Right. So, what that mean? We can't get another picnic. You can't get another baby father like me.
You mean by maybe better?
True.
One.
Will you?
One. No, we don't mean like that.
So, me for will
We don't
you?
mean like that. You can't get one. Come on, time. Me tell you to hold me. Where you hold me for? Where you hold me for?
You come like something wrong with you now.
Where you hold me for?
You tell me if you hold you, so me hold you. And you said not like that. So what else you want me to do?
Where
You
me-
come like something wrong with you in the house and a rasta man. Let me
Oh,
tell you this, don't lay no hand for me pitney.
okay. Remember, you know.
Stay far from me pitney. If you talk to her, but not put no hand for me pitney.
Cool. Anything you say. No put the hand pan her. Remember what you say. No put the hand pan her.
Go out her house, man. You're disgusting.
Remember what you say,
man.
no.
Go on
No
out
put the hand pan her. Anything she say.
Come like some crosses in my life. You just in what call me?
Shanice! Shanice! Today you may call you, girl. I know you're here and you don't want answer.
Hello. Stop calling me doorway and shout. Don't shout at me doorway, mama.
Miss, me come to you. I come to Shanice. Your name Shanice?
See to
Your
me.
name?
I glad how I see you, you know. Me glad how I see you. Because it coming like say, you are the ring leader. Cause my sister come like a idiot, you know. Cause I realize, you know, you're 13. And she a 14. Come like you are on her head. Because me look for you, you know. Me see trouble. You bore up your nose, ears 2 times, tattoo everything. Belly, all, watch out. They must sit me here. Tattoo all about. Hair, braid. Yawa.
Hot girl summer. Hot girl summer now.
Hot girl summer now.
Hot girl summer now.
I get some now.
Me not tell you.
Let me tell you this.
Your sister, your sister I'm come to.
Hello! Show her back doing something, don't call her. Me tell you this now. You see that me know why my sister up and down on the road with you. A education you have to take and go to school. You up and about hot girl summer all nails. Any day Shanice think she bad. Put on a tattoo, bore navel, and bow up nose, a backside down.
You're she mother or sister? Which one?
I mean, as big sister, mommy they are foreign and me left in charge. Education is the key. Man is not the key. When man breed you, and God left you, and where you go bad pan?
Awareness run us suffer.
Me come to you, your sister attack me like she well after me from a long time.
Where we go?
Look up on the road, girl.
What
Mama,
problem?
where you think you go look so?
Yes, me press me navel and more show everybody.
A person that?
You blind?
I'm nasty.
Oh, no, boy, here's a good girl.
Yes, sir, dear.
Listen to me. Listen to me. You know, run up my blood pressure, you know.
What
Anyhow, you ever walk out of yard, Shanice? Me and you. But the road never shame you. Tell what?
Come.
You're bad.
My pussy a jump.
Right.
By you.
This a girl. Where am she?
Hi.
Hey, Wam.
How are you?
Yeah,
My name is
good.
Amanda. What's yours?
Can call me first class.
Nice name. You look nice too.
Yeah, thanks. I don't want to say you live.
Your body thick and nice though, I like it.
Yeah, feel more sweet, so.
Yeah. I mean, where I come from.
How we all look for?
No, don't worry about that. Anyways, I have a woman.
No?
You sure?
Sure.
So we can't be that woman there.
Which one?
The one where you don't have.
You don't want to be one woman who I not have?
Want me the one where you don't have.
They can't be more woman, yes.
Not the side I'm baby father.
I lie, your baby father.
Yes.
Me not think you say Papa, your baby father.
That's what me have. And I'm your father.
Oh.
But they are gone.
They are easy, man.
Whole life.
Life is good, you know.
Yeah.
So far. Want some more money, but things are going still.
You have to work towards that, man.
You know him? You know why?
See her around.
They'll see each other and talk to each other.
Oh.
Oh, what? So your man,
Soon to be.
you like her?
She nice, she alright. Yeah.
Mm.
Yeah.
Okay.
So where you go now?
Me just a walk and stretch my legs them.
Oh, I'm
Just
gym there
decide to
wait for.
stop.
Yes, and I decided
Yeah.
to stop and heal you.
Right. So you can't go now.
Oh, sorry, oh. Me.
Alright, come.
Not today.
Later. One.
Are your friend?
Nah, not really. Kinda. In a one way, but no. If you get what me I say. Anyways, we can't get a number. She always matter.
Pull
Put
your
a number
phone.
in this. Come. Hold on. Put a number in this. I'll make sure I write number and another fake number.
I get it right number, man.
Good.
See ya. You can see you first class.
Alright then.
I don't live far now. I live up on the road.
Alright then. Me did I go down in a town still, so we link up.
I see you around.
Alright.
I say every time I come for me, I go to.
So not here with now.
No.
I wanna
Come
go.
here, you start me, man.
Me and stalk you or you try to start me.
Cause I pass, I'm still. How we look up this?
I hear me I look up in the bush man wonder what
Oh,
going.
be man live up here, so you know.
Mm.
Man out there, you did I go.
No, say I'm have trouble and something, my friend.
I'm talking. My time now, my time.
Say I did now, so
Like how first time say me ask you for my number. You want to come?
me can't not go work my friend. Now I'm gonna jail.
Why?
Me can't go easy no man, easy one.
Stop
Keep
being
it on
so
your
stop
side,
like
keep it on your side, keep it on your side,
like
man.
a gangster.
No man, keep it on your side, man. It's a prison work and I mind that.
What you mean by?
Me no want to go to prison right now.
Back up. And yeah, next time, me can't say me and you, they move.
Easy no slim
13 year old, they near 13 year old.
No, man,
14 year
easy,
old.
man. Man, making us me no want to go in a prison for your man.
Why you are the done so?
Me say if tell me I come walk on look for things that they drop me and make. Where should I go, girl? Take which man?
Yo, slip, easy no slim as.
Move up. Must well now, I'll go. Yeah, next one, no. Oi.
Yo, easy no, man.
You're
Easy,
big
no.
man.
No,
And I'm
yo.
near you there.
Calm down, no
And
slim
if
as.
on the road with little pitney and rub you up.
Yeah, easy already, so I go on me for easy off. Me no want to go in a prison for you, right now.
50% na conversation with little pitney.
No, man, I'm telling you, how long I look up in your bush. Come here, some look nice in your bush. I go on. I say, well, now I go on.
Listen to me. I mean, I tell you the last time. Me now ramp. It's my sister. It's a 14-year-old. It's a 14-year-old picnic. And listen to me. Education, if they talk about, you make a little 13-year-old if I road and rub your down. You want to rub down?
Calm down, no man.
You want me rub your down?
Calm down.
See me rub your down there. What more you want?
You're too aggressive, man.
Because me upset. You're a big man. I ain't road with two little picnic and look them.
No, I trouble with that, my friend. Trouble.
You ever know such a way to chat to them?
No, I them top of my foot.
You look as if you lick off your headpiece.
Calm down, no, man. You don't have to go so far, man.
Where you go?
Yes, I'm trying to look up in the bush easy.
Why look up in the bush? You have one girl come meet you?
Now you alone me have, man.
Me don't know that. Man a wicked and liar than a man a dog.
Girls are all joke, but you alone me have.
Me don't know jugs. Like, me a jug are the best jugs ever have. You hear?
I can't say so do about.
But you ain't with that chat too, man. The next time ever catch you down my little sister. A box off your head.
You little who?
I'm a sister.
A prisoner want to send me?
No. Are you top a roadside with her? A chat off your mouth.
Them come and talking with me slim as me. I tell you now here.
In a talking with you. You don't go about your business. Just stand up in a conversation with a little picnic. And rub down your body.
Rub down.
You want rub down?
Yes, you rub down.
You want song for rub down?
Easy now, man.
You want me rub you down? You know say me a mad girl and me not laugh when it come on to you. Me really
easy
mad.
Slim as I say.
And the next time me see you on the road with no girl, me a limb off your head.
That's shut up, man.
Hello, you.
Yes, I.
What do you know?
Hello. Me glad me see you, you know. You see your little daughter where you have. Control that. Control your little daughter we have.
My daughter their yard.
Huh?
My daughter yard.
No. Your daughter come over my yard this morning, come call up my sister out of the yard, right? And your daughter have yes. So Mr. Toasted, anyone she come out of the yard, me come look for her.
My daughter.
Mm-hmm.
Come out of yard.
Yes, and them, yes.
I'm going.
Over my yard, come call my sister, me catch him for another rub down me man. It's a pervert, yeah.
Jesus.
Baron!
So, what kind of name you
A
put
rub
for me now?
down. No, he's a
What kind of name you
pervert.
put for me now?
You is a pervert.
Rasta, where are you, Rasta?
He's a pervert.
Rasta.
Pervert.
Rasta, easy,
Where
Rasta.
you do with my daughter?
Rasta, not like that, Rasta. Rasta.
Where you do with my
Rasta,
daughter?
easy, Rasta.
Answer me.
Rasta, me in a bush, Rasta. I look up in the trees, Rasta. Some style, Rasta.
Eh.
And to the top, I ask you a question. I see,
Eh.
I say you are going on the children, just keep on your journey. Because you know, say you're pretty work on nothing, boy.
Just when your school picnic stop up on the road.
No, them stop a foot.
Alright, it's when them stop a foot, aye.
Yeah.
And them ask any question like them look your eye.
Yeah.
If you can't find some courage in the bush, aye,
Mm-hmm.
your jaw with some of them eye and rub you over them skin, make them left you alone.
Next time we do that.
You don't hold no long argument.
No, man, he's short.
Because if me did come here a while ago and see you and them put me that time have your hand up on you. For your hand gone and your neck gone.
Oh, bless you.
Control your daughter. Go on with your business.
Somebody say you don't see much.
Go on with your business. Me
All
check
right.
you later.
All
If
right,
you talk
sis.
to you about your daughter now. You see your daughter? Your daughter going like a too much big woman.
My daughter virgin. Ah.
Where? And I rub down man pan road. And have a tattoo.
Me never see that eye.
Hello? Me see that? And come over here and talk about her pum pum a jump. Pum pum a jump. Pum pum is jumping. 13-year-old. Pum pum a jump. Pum pum a jump for your 13-year-old.
No worry, I go home.
Yeah, you go home. I saw she gone, not home. 13 years, up a yard, me, I go wait for her one day. You're lucky.
Never check my yard to see if you are alive. Because I left my daughter this morning with fear mama. Because them in a house old meeting. Like a parliament house.
Mm-hmm.
So me, I go back up there. Go see if she's still in a parliament
Oh,
house.
parliament.
Because I must parliament
All right,
house.
let me tell you this. And listen to me carefully. Is there any that ever come back over me yard again? Me I broke her up, send her over to you. Me I limb her all the tattoo, they go clean off when me done with her. She brown. That how she brown.
Any day, my daughter want come over there limbo. Remember say, I know she alone a limbo.
How they go limbo?
Me I come for you.
Come for me. Me just beat her, you know. With this, I'm not afraid for chat.
Amanda. What?
Nothing as you can see, I'm perfectly okay.
You're perfectly okay. Amanda. Me know you from... How long me know you? From primary to high school days?
Something like that.
You feel somebody... As a matter of fact, you see man we are talking to this morning, me never want him. Right? Me just come there and say that. But Amanda, you're not changed. You not decide to change your life and settle down.
Change. You know, change. The only thing me change are my clothes. And me have you up now, nothing.
Have me up?
Nope.
No, why you would have me up?
Exactly. Why would I have you up?
I don't would like to know.
Mm-hmm.
Anyway, you need to change your style. Because one of them day, you go get a fine ass in your life.
And who go beat me? Jesus?
The people them, woman, stop take people man, girl.
Wow. I want to think people man nice, I'm gonna stop take people man. That's a talk me for.
As a matter of fact, you're taking wrong people them man.
Well, so you go.
So you go,
Mm-hmm. So you go.
no wonder why me and can be friends. Because you
Aye.
have too much dirty attitude and bird of a feather flock together and me not
Aye.
stay like you so.
Well, you see me, you know, music type of person, you know, I can beg friend.
So who did I walk and beg a friend?
I never said you're walking and begging friend. I did not say that.
No.
You say, oh, you can be friend with me, with a person like me.
No, me say I know why me and you are not friend.
Oh, basically, the same thing we just say. You have nothing else to say?
No, I don't have anything else to
Because I have a
say.
man figure catch.
You're not change.
No.
Me
I'm
pray
not
for
gonna
you.
I don't need.
I'm fast for you.
Aye.
Because something wrong with you.
Oh. I feel like nothing wrong with me, though. It's just that who just nice. I'm not stop take it.
Just settle down and change your life, and because you look like you need little fixing, as a matter of fact. So later, girl. Bye.
Let me know what to say. What's your Popeye?
How is it?
Are you that?
How are you again? Oh,
You remember me?
oh, Manda, what?
Yeah, turn Rasta to Clatool.
So, what wrong with Rasta? Huh?
You never saw nothing wrong with Rasta. I like a lot.
Oi. When I talk, you see this, me not play with me natty. Play with anything else, but not the natty.
Oh, I can play with anything else.
No, not anything else, but
And
anyway.
you just say me can play with anything else.
So, yeah,
So why you change your
why
plan?
rush? Because of my yard, me I try to reach to save my daughter their yard, you know.
Anyways, me go wire, you know. No long talking. Me go wire.
Why me?
Me this stutter when me talk.
Why me?
We can cook some callaloo for you and some, you know.
By the way, I steam, color steam, but
Whatever you do.
or you cook it though.
Like it's a callaloo, you wash it, you cut it up, you cut up your pepper, your tomato, your sweet pepper. You use an oil, you throw it at the pot, dash in everything, and that is it. I have little use. You're going to let me not have no use. How about this man?
Mama, you see the Rasta you see looking, you see the Rasta where you look at, right?
Me not blind.
I don't steam my color with oil. Cause I don't know where them get them oil from. You see them people that are going to patty shops and them buy vegetable patty. Them still on your beef. It's not vegetable patty them eating eye. Because you see the one make the crust, it's cow fat. Cow fat make the crust. I don't deal with those things. I deal with eye things naturally. Straight from the ground. When you ask him eye callaloo, you have to use water. Natural. And you can just give me tank water in my cooking. You have to go to the spring to deal with eye, or you buy a bottle of spring water and look for eye food. You see me? And I don't have an empress down there when me well satisfied with. So I can't take 2 ilaloo in my plate one time. You understand?
You're done.
No, me not done I. What you have to say though?
You think I say you did a ball before you turn Rasta? You used to name oil, you used to name dumpling, you used to name banana, yam, all sort of something.
It's just like when that woman.
All meat.
It's just like when time you used to.
Meat.
Don't repeat that word to me. That's it why you couldn't get eye.
Meat.
Because I couldn't stay with you because you love repeat.
Yeah, me love repeat.
The one time I give you a look back shot, you fought for I. That's why I top deal with you. I deal with your friend because you're a friend, know if you do it naturally. Because when me did have her upon a little back shot, she said, babes, me want fat, move. I move. You put pan and go tell me, boy, gas. Gas your backside. I look at Jimmy just drop dead. When me smell your fat, he think, I'll now me still remember that. That's why when time I upon my woman at night time, and if you ever think about what you do me, it not gonna rise. So we not gonna have no connection, mama, because you are gonna put pan again. and me can't take no poop. You understand?
Why? Fear Bobo J, you're just dirty. You're dirty bad.
I dirty what me do.
You're
And the dirty what
dirty.
here.
Bring them out, you're dirty. Bad.
Me go to school.
But like we said before, if we want to, we can get a simple 1, 2, 3.
Look for me good.
Look for me good.
Look for the eye good.
Look how your hair look fake no rotted.
Me look like a market where you can just come and take up anything.
But you look fake. You don't look like a market, but you look fake. All the thing must fake too. Yeah, you may talk. You look fake.
Come here. You shouldn't move. You shouldn't. Let me go on my yard. You hold up my time. I can't go catch up my daughter now.
Jesus Christ. Oh, no.
Where you come from, little girl?
Wait. Oh, I'm breathe. Jesus Christ. I nearly lose my life.
Really, Nene, look alive.
You know, I'm up. I shot me there. I'm here, my friend, a ramp, you know. Yeah. I'm here for run. I will nearly fight. So, yeah.
One did all fight for?
I look at you, me run with her and she take it personal.
You have to be careful, girl. You
So
have to just get up
Christ,
and
I'm tired.
run. And not any drug people run. You understand? So you have to be careful.
Okay,
So
Jesus
when you left the
Christ.
yard, for me not tell you if you not left the yard.
No, a 2 yard boring, man. You know, I can't stay in a yard by myself. So I'm going to leave my friend now. We'll go up on the road. Jesus Christ, I'm sit down. Tired, man. Oh, Lord.
I don't understand you. Like, I know your father, I don't know what time your father coming, so I don't know, I have to go call him and find out what I have to cook or whatever. So what you want for dinner?
That's two chicken and white rice. That's my FIFA.
Are you want to cook dinner?
No problem.
I'm kind of feel tired and frustrated. Like,
But him saying him not like meat, so how that's how we go now?
remember, say two different pot cook. Me
Oh,
cook
yeah.
your father food, you cook your food.
Oh, yeah.
You understand?
Mm-hmm, understand.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
I'm calling.
Yes.
Actually, I just ask
Oh, me?
Yeah, ask him to look more.
What you feel about?
What me feel look more for you?
So you don't know me eat.
Me know you eat, but suppose I want me buy fish.
If it's not pop char, it's callaloo, right? If it's not callaloo, it's cabbage.
So you don't want fish?
No, me don't want no fish today. I mean, me take Irish today. You know, and you me come out, you know, because me, I rush
Every day you
come
Every day
out.
come on me.
I want.
Me, you know what she did there today?
She did the shop with her friend and she run a joke with her friend and she friend and run her down.
No, she round the corner with man.
You need to be on the corner with man?
Locked down with man. I rubbed up man chest.
Yeah.
Like I realized it to him a bus feather. He ready to fly.
What?
But tell him we clip that wing there. Me we clip it.
I don't understand. What you did there?
Shop with my friend.
What you did there?
Mm-hmm.
You didn't know what that video rub down man, you tell me about me.
If me did that, you would have dead. You would have dead. D-E-A-D-D-D-D-E-D, dead.
Who teacher?
She would have dead.
I am a teacher English, daddy.
You want your math teacher know English?
No.
Guess what? Nobody good answer. But what you did there today?
Shop.
What you did there? Cause I could never shop you did there. Your father reach us so fast.
You know, Wendy, let me tell you who are she going on there. So, you know, the jagger nose girl, film, look at sister. The black tall girl there, with the big nose.
Kayla.
Yes, she her sister and she round the corner and rub down man chest.
You don't lie.
But them a twine here in a man chest. Yes.
What?
Twine ear in a man chest, where you get that from? Tell them make dirty foot Kayla full of your head and foolish.
Manners.
Just who
Respect.
know overfoot dirty. When I pop off them foot, they say you can't come back out here now another day again. And when you want to know, you want to come carry him, pick the pan eye in here. After I can't feed you and your
So which
mama.
man that they then did a rub down?
You are ask eye.
Now you get the information. So
No,
you
me
must
a
get all
say.
of the information.
So me a go around and take down man name.
I don't know, but you're supposed to know a man where Nobody come in now with your foolishness.
Yes, me know the man. Yes, me know the man. Me know the man. But me not no full evidence. But, you see, any day name day, me a company road and see out my two yard them myself. Trust me, that going to be the last day you see road. Because me a whole educated two yard them. Because if I two yard them...
Hello. Me not carry no blind eye picnic come here.
Pretend like him bad blind.
No, me not
Blighty.
I'm gonna tell you something. You know, say me a
And when you just say a while ago, yellow for eye, and say eye black, eye bright. Yes, eye bright. I go to school. And your mother make me have to come out of school. That's why I done.
Who
Yes,
make you
I.
come out of school?
Yes, I.
Why you can never control yourself? You come blame me for me. And not my fault.
Listen, I say, why are you bad enough? We should have believed that you have to come out bad enough. But if I did just clip your little wing before you reach two, you wouldn't reach it. So actually, you see your mother, you see a little short them, and a little mini skirt them. That's a yeah, we never go on the road. But
nothing wrong with them here when me a
What
one.
is I'm fitting all man?
I know what him.
but watch this now.
A modern time now.
When you wrote up a place so far, like your love wrote.
What am I look for? What am I help you?
I have some gesture. But I can't find them.
How we are putting a dress?
And you are going to start with Jess.
Me not wearing a dress.
No belly skin round here.
Hey, what wrong with you? You not choose no clothes to my opinion. What am I where you come here for? What back at work?
Let me ask you a question. You are sell out my daughter?
Me not sell out a daughter, but I know all woman.
Why she dressed like a harlot? Why she pays her neighbor?
I feel your neighbor? I feel your body? I feel your skin?
Okay.
It's up to she, up to you, not because you're father.
Oh, so up to she. So if she come to you and say, Mommy, me feel like no one go to the road and take a cucumber. You are going to
Me not gonna say that.
Me not gonna make me daughter.
I'm not ask my mother that.
And that's what come here for?
Yeah, because you say up to she. So you give her the
Me
privilege.
never say up to she if you go take man. Did I told you to take man?
No.
I
No.
ever introduce her to any man? Okay.
But she couldn't bright. Think you bad. Find a man and everything. I'm not talking. Go in the room and chat to your mama. Go in the room. Give me that phone for the rest of the day. Go on.
You know our phone, boy?
Go on your room.
Alright, make sure you listen to my mother, you know.
How is she that? You in your night time, me understand the fear room that way down so. But you go and control your night. You can't feel like I got a broke road. I mean, I want to make it up to you.
So I cannot say stand then.
Tell me, he said me if you take time. Eh?
Yes.
Take time for what? Next thing when me take time, remember you tell me, say, any day I fail you, That day somebody will replace me and I don't want to be replaced.
That was my words.
Because you say you don't want to give me bun, so me must make sure I don't fail. So I eat up all vegetable. Because you see them guys the way I eat meat, them not have no use. I have all the use. I have the gimmick and the gravity. Because when they put it into you, you put it out back to me. And I put it back to you, you push it out. I put it in, you push it out. I push it in.
Alright, don't know. Going back at work. And that's come here for?
No, baby. The love is still enough.
Love it.
Respect, no problem.
Later. When I come back home.
Send to you, baby.
Bye.
Remember, I beach.
Yes, I beach.
Okay. No pop chai today, no Isla Lou. I beach. Yeah, baby.
Bye.
Get up. Wake up, mama. Wake up, man. Wake up. You're going like you're asleep and me know you're not asleep. Get up. Now make me go out and do for the bath for the water. Get up! Wake up! Wake up before I take you bucket and lick off your head, mama. Get up! Me not ramp with you.
You don't see me asleep.
Sleep where?
In a house.
Who's to walk to the man yard? Oh, give your to walk to the man yard, come around so. First of all, we had that road with me, man. I just said I left out here in front of me. Yeah. Can you feel like me with the set draws? Me wear set draws. And me take his head, man.
And me I look, man, me wear your jaws.
Pitney. Now make me box out your teeth out of your head. Come here, we do it. Me been a calm woman and one, me see you now here. In front of me, I mock me. You're in Father God. If you're not too busy, come God. God, help me with Shanice, Father God. Father God, take the case and give me the pillar. Me can't take Shanice no more, Jesus Christ.
You can't go back to
me.
sleep.
What?
You can't go back to sleep.
Pitney.
Oh man.
Have manners. And give me the phone to no more phone. Me feel like I the phone and make you feel like you're a big man. And don't make that red king pit in the come back at me yard. Come on, not want to parade with man.
Take
Man.
money.
What?
Take money.
I'm on your man. Mommy not say enough money from foreign for you. You not get enough money. You want more money. Alright, you want more money. You see a near ya? You see if you're not here, I will take you and wipe it on your eyebrow. And you hear what upon your head. Make you go ball. Ramp with me, Pitney.
Yeah,
Ramp with me.
Alright, earless ball.
Ramp with me. Me raising on the man the other day. I have to mock me. I want to find something to punch your lungs, you know. No more phone and I get. A phone make you feel like you're big one. There's no big man in the house. And don't make you back on the rest of the chat to no man, especially me, man. Stop mock me. Stop mock
Me now
me.
go talk to your man, but me go talk to our next man.
Pity how much?
The business.
Yeah, how much?
See me get message there, mine and Shana call me, girl, cause we have somewhere to go.
Who name Dan? Who name Dan?
You don't know your man, brother?
Some man you take. Man you want.
Man, me shall get.
You know, take no man. Tell this to me, girl. Come up here, so. Come down here, so, on the bed. Come down here, so. Let me talk to you. Sit down. All man want is something under your soul, nothing else. Take your education.
What you take?
My girl.
No, let me ask you something. You have my mother, you have my sister.
Hello. Me your sister.
Okay then, be a sister. If me want man, me shall take man.
Under Fufa roof.
We mama under your roof.
I could never disavow house here. I could never supply house here with a zinc top.
Take time.
I could never say wire house here. I could never this a house here. You want to take man under. Any day me find out say you right, girl. Me right off your head. You hear? Take man in here.
No lick me.
Me tell you, me talk beat up me too much on you. Beating you is not gonna do no better. Beating
No,
you not
cause
work.
as I lick me, the liquor cool. And as I lick me and it cool, I shall take a next
Read
man.
book.
I don't want to read no book.
Alright.
Pass me for one.
I will broke your back, girl. I will
go
broke your
talk
back.
to my mother. I want the food.
Mommy don't want to hear from Mommy is disappointed in you. But you take man.
Disappointed in she breed from she 15. She
And what you want to do?
Breed on there 14.
Little girl, I will take the fan and mash up in the head. Me now mash up my piece of old fan pan you. Me lucky after you don't deserve no fan breeze. All in here is man. Top fella, Sean. Sean no want nothing good. Look for Sean's parents. Sean's parents is workless.
I put on one tattoo.
Which tattoo? Where? He never put on a tattoo, Shanice. He just burn up your body in front of me. Shanice, I will box you over, Shanice. So go and ramp with me. Come on, look about something you feel, man. Don't left the yard. Don't left the yard and stop at me, Shanice, to see the phone at the boarding up.
If I mash up my phone,
Don't ramp with me,
I shall
Shanice.
mash up your man. So, mash it up. Mash it up.
Don't break us and hold on your ears. Come down.
Now, one nothing.
Come down. Girl, me say come down. Cool down!
Babe, you can't catch me.
Watch this little ranking picnic. Come down for me take you just and mash up your face. Come down, me say. Come down for the bed. Lord Jesus Christ, me no breathe. You make me that hot me.
Me I sure not forget Pitney.
Come down for the bed, Chinese. Chinese, come off of the bed. Oh God. Our mommy really put me under. Turn this and hold your ears. Hold your ears and your foot. Your 2 foot them too.
I'm for me 2 foot them plus me ears. Yeah, idiot.
I know you want to take man under your hole.
I saw me take it.
Pitney, turn up. 1 foot. And no move. Let me go cook. They get up and talk about man. Man.
What go on in there, so? What go on in there, so? What kind of parliament business are going on in there, so?
The parliament business now go on. Just outside, I see come in and I see she eat and me I wonder with mind there. I know you come right in front of me and eat and not even say if you want to. I want to eat. Because that smell like a meat and you say you're rasta enough to eat meat, you know.
I eat meat.
You know what that in the plate?
I eat some mixed vegetable.
Come and see mixed vegetable.
Mixed
You see, you don't even know if it's safe to all your lie.
veggie jumps, the fine one. I eat that.
Veggie junk do not look so. Veggie junk fine, some fine something.
Me not eat.
Fine. It kind of fatty.
Fatty, yeah, black. Let me see what color in like that.
Red.
Mixed veggie chunks me I eat. Mixed.
One here mixed veggie chunks.
Yo, listen me.
A veggie chunk.
But the beef where?
Be a grasta.
I eat. That bully beef you make it iron yam. A bully beef you cook on the stove in a my pot. Who do that? Who do that? Who cook bully beef pan in a my pot?
I don't know what I eat it though. It is good, don't it?
You like
Yes,
it?
good way.
You done your food to Rasta.
Fire!
Murder. You can't continue eating. Let me answer the phone at a drop.
Finish it. It up.
Finish
I
what?
can't go and continue.
Finish what?
I'm gonna feed the baby. Come.
You decide.
Come now, baby. Come.
Who cook the cow in a my pot?
I made the cookie.
But you already eat the cow.
But you eat half more side, baby.
So why?
Rasta again, me have to go cut it last.
Yeah.
Go feed scissors.
But remember I feel like that from long time, so you know the
Go feed scissors.
Selassie, I know.
Rastafari, Jano.
And the cow tastes good too, you know.
Yeah.
Don't touch eye. Don't touch eye. Don't.
Eat up, daddy, eat up before it food get cold.
You better come out here. You better come out
Come
here.
on, come and picnic case.
Wherever
Wherever
I
you
be.
leave me picnic alone.
The eye. Go in the kitchen and my pot that I think is mixed vegetable.
So you know how mixed vegetable look? Then bully beef.
Every day you yam, you don't know what you yam say. Me cook mixed vegetable, me cook veggie chunks, you whole heap of time. And you don't know veggie chunks.
You have veggie chunks that big. You have mixed vegetable that is fine.
No red.
Let me say.
I think I put food coloring on them.
Why they put food
You
coloring
don't
on
know food
veggie chunks?
coloring, so why would I give food coloring?
And
Makes sense.
taste
You
it.
did one, yummy.
It's sweet.
Come on, sir. Come out. Come out.
Left me picnic.
You see, you know? You decide.
Yeah, this sir. Babe, come.
Me nah eat no matter mood. Me nah eat it.
Come now, tap in eyes.
What me say?
I know that.
What me say?
I know that. Finish eating, cause you almost eat out. Watch out.
You decide, man. I can't tell my friend them to me eat the cow. I can't do that because I am spiritual.
Them won't know say you name the cow unless you chat say you name the cow.
Me? Me not that, you know. But you know, if you pick me, if you don't tell him to lock him up because anybody on the road see me.
You go tell us if you not tell nobody. And then see if she not carry out the road at the time. You just don't say nothing.
Where are you that way?
You don't know that story.
I go that way. I know no more. I want to eat your food. Go on.
You want to say chicken? They eat cow, no, so you can eat chicken too.
The family good.
No, fire.
Me look like I want Rasta if you ramp it. Eh?
What ramp with you? Yeah, name that, so you must can name that.
Bird! What you call that? I don't even know what to call it. I describe it. This is a
They
mistake.
chop a piece in the fine still last day, so you name everything in a one combine.
You go on, eh? Your last straw and you all look fun.
Shanice! Shanice! The girl you sleep, so. Road, you don't know sometimes come here road one. You busy when your sister come up, me show you and style me do all my mother something, you know. You should not even know. Can't make roll up your head like your head. It's over here.
don't understand that from.
Don't make she know. No, me did me sit up, no. She know me sleep. Yeah. Alright. No, you can't do that, girl. Ready.
Good girl, good. Safe sleep. Good.
We're glad to see how you may come to.
You good?
No.
I'm too.
You remember so we do something right?
Yeah, you did like it?
Me did like it, but
Well,
come pay up, me no work for free.
so you didn't tell me say your money is something.
Me no work for free. Come.
Me not no money, you know.
You don't expect say if you wash, you know.
So you tell me say from then time that you know wash.
No, me no mean so. But if you wash, me no mean that way they come. Me have to buy How much is it?
Murder, friend, I burn out of my mother. No man never do me so.
What you do so?
So you tell me say you do something and you know wash your something from the time.
Girl, me no mean so. Of course, my pum wash. My pum always wash. But me do the thing and him no pay me and hit me come for.
Me never know what say. She never tell me say I not pay a thing. Me think you just like me and say you the one there with me.
Wow, and that's how this thing work.
I'm a friend from school days, you see?
Yeah.
You see, there when me see two anu, why you think me ask her if I like her? Because me know say a chick studies. She no want nobody. She just
I'm not.
walk
You
and
want
fling
me tell you what I am a hustler. Me no trickster.
She's a
Me hustle. Me use me pum for hustle. How?
Charmer. Me can't manage,
Anyways,
you know.
me come for me dividend.
Me soon make you get it. Me not have money
So
now.
when you saga me did tell us say wait. No,
But
come.
you never tell me at that time.
Me
say,
don't need to tell you that. You're supposed to know. So when you saga me, me go come for me. Come.
You did tattoo for sale over it, me know. Or put in your forehead. No money. Marika, give me a money now, me give her.
No.
So me I go do. Me not have none now.
How much money if you go get this year for that day? After me never get it. I mean, I want something like that.
Come.
She say you want wash.
I don't know what's friend.
I got a call friend.
I don't know how you go under
Your
this.
friend.
Why am I skinny out? You smell nothing?
No, but
Thank you.
and you attack like say you know wash it.
Up. Me I wait too long,
Hey,
you know.
here what go on. You see, when me see you again, me I double it give you. Like how in my mind. Like how in my mind now.
It won't be a next time. Come.
Me not have it now, so me say next time me gonna double it.
Manda,
Give you.
how you do that, sir?
Who you again?
Okay,
How me know you from?
Me made it take my man one time.
Hey!
When that? I can't recall. Me take how much teen man?
Remember the man jawbone? When me catch you him in a bed.
Oh, that one there, that mash mouth one there. Oh.
Hello.
Hey,
Where are you, son?
what
You know what?
Them a
Pay
little
me.
careless girl, yeah. I sell she sell in front, you know.
me know.
You know what now?
You know now.
Yeah, me know now.
Listen, me and you will start out this. Come on, you hear? But
Alright.
just make sure you pay me.
Move.
Me want my money.
Next time I double.
Read me lips. Me want me money.
Yeah.
Thanks.
Man, let me tell you this, Amanda. Plain and straight. You see,
Awa.
you know,
Awa.
me don't want my sister to come like you. You is a whore.
Me not even know your sister. Me go forever be whore and my body I'm go whore it out. I decide to whore it
Your
out.
body
and
soon
me go-
done out.
Girl, this
Yeah,
can't
walk with
done.
community mattress under your foot.
It can't done.
It a go
Awa,
done.
it can't
No.
done.
Make me buck you with my man again, girl.
I don't know put him in
Make
the
me
way.
buck you with my
No,
man
put him in
again.
the way. Come, I go take him left, right. That's
Jesus,
all in
take the
there.
wheel.
Die.
Take the
Me go
wheel,
spin
God.
it out
When
and
you
give.
take him, make sure
I'm a
somebody
matter of fact.
Make sure me do that.
Yes, just
Lucky
a
girl,
just.
think
I'm a matter
like.
of fact. Where you man? Come would I take him right now? Where you man?
Remember the
Let me
man
see
make
him
sure
in-
we done the road. Jawbone, little sharp man.
Oh, that one.
Yes.
So you
I'm
catch him,
my man.
you catch him with the man and you
Yes.
still there with him.
I'm my man of fear, man.
Anyway,
I'm my man.
But
me
he
go take him
and
again.
give
Be
you back.
gone.
No.
He take him
My
and
man
give
just
you
see my
back.
one little one knock off her. Her pum pum.
Alright, him a call up my phone door.
He say, "Ma
Check
call
his
him
phone
phone."
and you will see. Be
My
gone.
girl, relax. Me soon start out that.
What?
You can't deal with the loose girl there. Yeah, spoil her reputation.
Me never know what she do. So give me for your number.
Huh?
Let me fix back my reputation.
Me not, no, me not want nobody with a mingle with she. Right now in life,
Me nah mingle with she.
what you do then?
Me just say
Wingle
hey.
on her?
Me just say hey.
I'm gone on that day just by saying, hey, listen to me. You see right now,
Things
my
happen.
mother gone. I have to take care of my sister.
Mm-hmm.
So me now look for no loose boy for me to run back at 24/7. I say, I want if more give me bun with that girl down the road. Me
Then
never
job
that.
one no give you bun with that girl down the road.
It better me tell me job one down come with you because you like you're worse a criminal, like you will give me bun.
I don't
can't
believe in
take bun.
that. A cheese.
Listen to me. I have heart failure. I have heart disease.
So you walk without heart then now.
Yes. Can me catch on the road with one girl, then I drop them and die. I'm not ready to die as yet.
You nah catch me with
But me
no.
I'll give you my number. I left my phone over here at charge. Make it fast. And you may even start talk. Don't talk to that girl then.
Me don't talk to
Cause
her.
me
Me
a
not
mad
talk to
girl.
her
My name
again.
Kayla. What's your name?
Kayla, first class me name.
Alright, nice to meet you first class. Don't chat a little waste patch of girl then.
Alright, me go
Let
and
me
call you.
Yes, call me. Bye.
One more. I want fishy, yeah.
Girl, let us a walk left me so.
I'm so short.
So I'm still in my sleeping mode, you know.
better get active up.
How about we are going now?
Hey.
Hey, what's up? Good?
What's your name?
First class.
Yeah.
Yeah, but for you, my name Babes. Trouble me, trouble you, man. What go on?
Son.
Son, your name?
So you do a test.
Just stay at talk on my phone and I hold a one cigarette, you know?
They do the same thing not good for you.
Yeah?
Shanice! I know you this. I could never use it.
How that?
I know Shanice sister.
Your sister?
I could never Shanice. I could never use it.
So you move somebody, Maddy?
I'm kind of mad, I have to see with him.
Sister, you know what do I
I'm kind of
Someone do
psycho.
oppression. Yeah. Our sister.
So you say?
You don't talk cause,
No.
you know, me have to run going. So
Anyways, we can get your number.
Yeah, man. Just put in for you on my phone.
You want me no idiot. Okay, alright. Miss Big Woman. Miss Big Woman.
So anyways, you would have go for one dinner.
I don't have be rich.
Who guy
I
part?
can't believe that already fit under the sheet. Come here. Come here. Yeah,
So you deal with your sister?
You know them how much?
18 and 19.
Wait, 13 over here, so when they take something before time.
Let me
14-year-old.
So how them pierce up and them pierce us and look so?
God, them bad. Me tell me look, you say coming like Jabon. Me look pa and say to you, say, me a struggle with me little sister over here, so. And she not.
Mind your papa off in ears.
Yes, sir.
No papa.
No, I don't pay you make
Mind
you
your papa off in ears.
come up here, so little girl. You
So I say you're
is a
rough.
pedophile.
I say you're rough. You do them so rough.
Come on.
Me don't want to tell us, my mother.
Where I come from?
Where me feel they come from? Me a big man and I think me a pitney.
Alright, you're a big woman, you're no picnic. Where your daughter there?
I don't know, end up on the road somewhere with our friend.
On the road.
Yes, why your problem?
Somewhere with our friend.
Yes, I want.
You sure the man you actually there?
You look girl now got no man here. They love think bad boy pitney. That man I like with you.
Dirty papa! Hold your pitney. Hold your pitney.
I want.
Hold her.
I want.
Sit up on road with man.
See, to me, I try to show you.
Man!
Look at girl. Look at girl. Why you not top?
Shut up. Oh, you know Sandy the pan road with man.
Hello. Cause see my sister here.
Don't touch her.
I go catch them with man. Tell me
So what then did I do with the man?
Mama! Rub down man, I take my phone number.
Touch me.
Mama, come up,
You did I rub down man
in the
the
crowd.
Oh, you see me rub down the man and take man phone number.
Tell them the truth, I'ma lick off your headpiece in front of them.
That did that happen?
No. What did happen then, little girl?
We did a pass and we say good evening to the man.
And turn up a pop out phone, I think me never
We
see
never
that.
tell up on the phone. It's some papa
So
up
why
on the crux and
always
she a
attacking
fix
little
it.
pitney them like this?
Shut your mouth.
What a question pitney?
Shut your mouth.
And you make your pitney bore for about that.
Oi! When you trouble people them pitney.
Don't let me sister. My box out
I
your
want to
head.
this a hooligan in my house. Lower your voice. Oh,
No.
your son of
Sit
you.
me.
Take time
What
and
was
talk.
You see
No,
her,
that
you see
was
her
that.
when she bad. Nobody don't put her hand on her. One your man. And control your daughter.
Control your sister. You know, see him a touching man locks. Him man not like when people touching locks.
Don't
Don't
touch
touch
him
him
man
man locks. Hey, there's a
Oi.
German. You don't have nothing about you. And you come here and talk about me that.
You,
I'm next
you,
time I tell her this.
where
You
you
see,
come
next
from?
time I put your hand on me
Me
pick
friend
me,
up on the road.
you're not gonna like it.
I got to her.
Calm
yeah,
down,
mama.
Let's go walk
We are
and
back
put
up
the
on
time.
the phone.
Man, yeah, do this person, mama.
I don't afraid of you nor your
This straight,
sister.
I don't like it.
I will thump you in your head.
Drag your ass. Go in.
Try.
Go in.
Later, Sean.
But on later, Sean.
Tomorrow.
Bully beat this man in a
Where you want me for? Where you want me for?
What me want to but you're going like a lie. You know, me bully beef this
What is it,
morning.
this
Oh,
man?
yeah, Rasta no eat.
Vegetable.
A bully beef me here.
Anyway,
Anyways, before I talk aside, and then you may come to. You are our mother. I mean, if you talk to her, you're a big woman. And your daughter, dressing up in batty rider, coming over
Where
the
you look
house.
on? Where you look on?
Printer, look
Where
at
you
your
look
vagina
on?
all
Next
over
man
the
a
place.
call.
And you talk about my daughter? Huh?
Girl, you see me saying you see big people like that, shut up!
Oh, Pitney.
Come on for me to thump in your
Control
yard.
the wolf dog.
Hello. And a waff dog. If a waff dog, a waff mongrel, that's why they sell her body on the road and have a tattoo.
Oh, your daughter,
Why your
your
pitney?
sister not sell.
No,
No worry about my daughter.
me sketch your daughter 2 times with me man.
With your man.
2 times.
Yes.
What my
With your
daughter
man.
do with your man?
Yes.
With your man.
Mm-hmm.
Why you not answer the phone? How would that? 2 times.
Mm-hmm.
With your man.
Yes.
I do what?
I feel
Shut up. I do what? What my daughter do with
I
your man?
laugh one more time. I go and wake
What my
you up.
daughter do
Oh,
with your
yeah,
man?
Van Icky.
Have you ever picked me up into a paradise?
Don't worry about
take
that.
my
I
number.
woman put on hickey.
That's your problem. You better tell me, say you catch my daughter do something. She never did that do
Boy,
nothing.
me no want catch your daughter right. I mean, no, see you know, so she a do it. But you keep here say, yo, is a worthless mama.
Like
Why?
you.
Me no worthless mama, I'm a very good big sister. And next time, me catch your
I'll
daughter.
go my talk. You know, come out of me yard. Come out of me yard.
Sean,
Come
later.
out of me yard. Go on. Go on.
Tomorrow, Sean.
Just like you.
Fuck this like your papa. You know. You see what kind of embarrass you bring down in a yard?
Who bring down embarrassment in
You see
your
what
yard?
kind of embarrass?
Who bring you down in your yard?
You embarrass me. You cook bully beef in the iPad. Make I think,
Big grassy to a man like you don't know veggie tongues from bully beef. Huh?
I think it's veggie mince.
You come like you don't know sense or something wrong with
I
you.
never expect bully beef to cook in iPad. I only cook Isla Lou,
Listen,
Pop
listen,
Chai,
listen,
and
listen,
Ibis.
listen, listen.
And you have put moo in my pot.
You name me, you say nice though. It tastes good though. It nice though. Answer now.
You see that look girl?
It nice though. Hey?
You see that look girl?
You want more later? Ajo.
Yo, wait. If any pain you want to see the road, I go and make sure that you get the pain the one day. Don't worry. I go and plant your backside. You wait. You wait. Yes, I. Yeah, like that. Pop chai is wonderful. You see me? Something like how you steam it up with water. Yeah. Them time there was
Hey, me not like that this ain't too long. It been them a laugh off of me.
No, this is how you supposed to dress.
Me not like this,
You make the big
man.
jagger nose girl come here.
Look how this long.
No, if you're lucky and never have sweater and socks. You know, tell them they look good.
You look nice.
This is today I love me I put on. Cause me now wear this. This too long and me look like granny and me are no granny.
Listen to me.
But you just look nice, pa, yo.
Me not like it.
You look
Me
good.
not like it.
You're lucky. And
Full of flowers. Like my granny all dressed.
yeah, busy take you when you go on the road. And that time they me know say you won't go on the road.
There sitting there.
And that with you know. And that with you now, you know. Me and you now go so far, you know, in a life, you know, if I saw you go continue with him, you know.
Look how far we there.
Anyway, me I go send you go somewhere right now, go collect your uniform because school are open up.
You know this year?
Yes.
Same way like that. You go look at Sister Pat. Tell him say if even if you don't finish with the whole of the uniform them, and give you one out of it. And me I tell you say, me I time you. 4:45. Please, no idle on the road.
Hey, me can't put on the road with this, sir. Me go have to run, come back away, bees are swarm me.
Yeah, man, them fi swarm me, man. Them fi
So this
swarm
full
me.
of flowers.
Tell her I say me come check her tomorrow and pay her fee, but she fi give you one because more your mother steam pressy.
So you know, no money can give her. Me not like this. Me not like that whole idea, you know. For she good and they go collect uniform and no money. Give her the money. Make him pay for even one.
Me, after me pay for bill the uniform, buy the cloth, I mean, no matter of fact, and she a make it, and you can't pay for one.
Me not always lend the money. As good as all my money I use and pay for it.
Go and tell Sister Pat myself to give you one of them. You can't wait for a week. Can't wait right through the week.
Yes, me don't know.
You,
Wow.
me have to send the whole on out because me can't go nowhere today, I know. Me don't feel so good. Me have to go use the latrine. Me want you good on her Sister Bev and collect the little part of money for now. Because I never use tonight. Go to school Monday coming.
Let me get some rest first because I'm tired.
Listen,
Last night me work.
get up! What kind of work for you? At 5 minutes me give you last night. Get up!
But me tired.
I done business. Get up. Collect the money and come back. Now it's 4:46. And if you go a road and make 5 o'clock catch you, me ain't a problem.
Just say why no, look on the time again. 5 o'clock have to catch me. Look on that long journey there me have to go walk.
Alright, go on.
Sometimes I wonder if something wrong with it. I'm like,
No, nothing wrong with me. Nothing wrong with me. Me dey on the right track. Because I try to study little by little.
Me I study you too. So cook some more bully beef for you.
So the whole of this mean yeah, with the one little cow. I don't me alone and yam cow. Check the rest of them out there. They want yam all pork. Cow hour.
Jenna.
Up.
There, where go on?
Yeah, man.
There, you know, so I want a piece of food. Me just go collect my boy.
So we have rum for drink.
Yeah. I'm craving here for bun.
You do?
Boy, rough my boy. So
So
yeah,
yeah, when they still go down, so?
yeah. Don't they did bad. Me I wonder what you did there.
Actually, I can't swim, man. I stay far from water and
You
water.
know, you joke how lifeguard did it there, bro.
They can't save me when me I get down. So anybody come near a
You
drone
not
too.
have to the guy end part. You not have to go way out in the deep. It really part of the shot still. Me not gonna lie.
True.
Me enjoy myself. Yeah, man. So,
Next time we know plan him and me forward.
you know, come now and be a chat.
Me we drive. We drive and sit down on the shore and watch, you know.
Yeah.
Make some video for you, you know. Yeah, man, that's the idea.
Boy, me not gonna lie. It is shot.
No chase and none.
Hey, girl, I take my man.
Jesus Christ.
Where you there, start with she?
Hello. The last
talk.
time I check, I sell him that, you know. So, oh, you come and say your man.
Oh, really?
Oh, really?
Oh.
Yes, really.
Where you there, start with she?
Bro,
You
let me
just
tell you
a
what I
reason
want
with
to your
her.
man now. You see, because love take people, man, When time she have a man and she see one next woman a talk to her man, she go feel say them a take her man, so her conscience a bother her.
Karma.
Girl, me no want a man.
Karma.
My goodness.
This water that good.
So ask your man.
What
Can
you say?
knock me.
What you just say?
What you just say?
What you just say?
No, no kill him, no kill him, man.
Hey, girl, go out for me.
No kill him, man. Yo, cool.
Hey, hey,
See, he run, you win. Are you win, he run.
Hey, you see your woman? Let me go your next one.
What me I go do? You kill him? Can't make you kill him. See, you run the face slippers.
Miss Big Woman. My man, they gonna come here. And me they go on the road and all me want you to do is and you me a chat to girl. How am to the ranking girl yeah? Pass your place with me. I pass your place. Let's me on my phone nice and decent. And then your mother by the phone they give me, you know. And then your papa. And me coachy work feet. Oh. All the current girl make gone. Captive GPS lights. Father God help Shanice. Help yourself. My man, I come here. And what me want you to do? There is lights. My man, I come here. I want you to do half of the clothes in the bed. So I come too. Comfortable. I come too. No, I cash up and come back. I come too. Come too. You just test my faith to get a house we have been looking for. But I'm going on the road. You're close my favorite man can lie down comfortable.
Me say, girl,
What one?
a while ago me see a sister, I don't know how she go. Have to hide back a
She
seat
an
now.
idiot girl.
She just
What
ever
time man
chat.
a come here?
Which one that?
No little idiot
Make
job
him come,
one.
no, make him come.
How you gonna do him?
Make him come, man. Make him
So me for clean up the place. So me clean it up.
come.
Cause I don't know what to do. So I go surely clean it up.
Make him come.
Girl, are we over there start look for?
Make him come now.
Are dirty something them there over there saying no
Make him
girl?
come. Listen, me.
Slim as better here. Oh,
We
she
are
in
doing
the
that.
bathroom. Come sit down now. No, me just remember. Come down.
Yeah, she a beard.
Yeah.
No, that's there, man.
Man, you can lie down.
You can't lie down, man.
Come in
Get
and
yourself
miggle, man. Come in and
comfy.
miggle.
Get yourself comfy,
Yeah.
man. You good?
So you push me down, sir.
No,
No, we not
man.
really push her down.
No.
Yo, I wanna go.
Me say, girl, Come here. Let go far. Where you not do the things you fight up for you?
Your man come.
A only one we don't know in a defend himself. Best me Come on.
You see, your man.
My man. Yeah.
Hold this. Hey.
Come, yo. Go rest me. How for this? When I come, I'll see me. I'll
When
see
I
her
come
one. Me and you they go have your your yard. For you in a big house with your man.
Let she take up her uniform, you idiot lady.
No, to be a yard me I go.
Go do what?
You girl.
Your man rape me.
He rape you. Go sit down. Wait till I come back in a day.
You.
What
How
problem?
much years me and me never give a bun? And you give me bun with me look what list friend name Amanda, that the girl that we are walking
I
and
no give you bun,
fling
me
herself all about the place. And now she you choose to give me bun with. You never see nobody else to give me bun with. Eh?
And that the girl that tell us of me and him.
Yes, you and her.
No, go so baby, no fret. I just take a quickie. I never give you a bun.
So you do it for sure.
No, it's just a quickie. It's just a quickie. When me say quickie, me mean like
Me I give you back bun.
I never give you a bun.
A bun for bun.
It's not bun for bun.
Bun for bun, me I give you back bun.
Where to make a bun?
Dirty Rasta man, all your daughter.
Every time you with me pitney.
Over me, yeah, that top of me man.
Shan,
Boy, me belly butter when me see all me sister pound it, pull it two of them.
what?
Daughter.
What?
You see, I try to show you.
I saw me grow you. Come back here, so.
Come here.
Come back here, so.
Why you do?
Me not laugh
What kind
with
of
you, me
road you
not
want
laugh
go?
with you.
Me hear you and mommy in her bed and she a boss and she feel pain, so me want feel pain too, hear me?
You want to feel pain?
Yeah.
Me never know say you didn't want to feel pain all along. I never know.
You want to feel?
Never know. Come here. Come here. I'm going to show you pain.
What you doing that?
You want to feel.
Jesus
Pain
Christ.
you want to feel. Yes. Pain you want to feel. You shall feel pain.
Yes, let
You
me
see how you-
alone.
Come on here.
I don't feel-
Yeah, look. Come here. Come here.
Morning.
Morning.
So your name me so. Anyways, you don't know nobody run a name Joe.
Wait up and ask me about man for. Me no know about nobody. Right now my man me just away pan, come on. Give him some lick. What problem?
Me just I tell her what my problem. Lord God.
So your man no come and ask me about.
No, me ask if you see my friend know nobody
Me
name.
no know nobody name no Joe. Mas Joe? Me no know nobody name so.
Me never say Mass Joe, me say Joe.
Me no know nobody named Joe. That's what I said. So find out where and go and where I go. Find ask my days.
Father God, I want me do in that life. Me simply come to you ask you a question and you just say, "Nyam, me so what?"
As I can see me in a good mood because right now my head are cheap right now, you know.
But I know me make it that cheap. You're not supposed to deal with people, so.
Anybody come cross me do them so. So
You
find
know
out where I
what
go and
me
where I
talk
go.
about my business.
Yes, that's what you do.
Cause hello, young miss. Me can ask a question.
Shoot a shot, but don't see you next time.
You know nobody run any name Joe.
Ah, the first thing you go wrong, that even morning. And then you can ask me if I know a drawer. Yeah, me know enough drawer. Me know box drawer, me know big drawer, me know juice drawer. Why your problem with drawer? You want a box drawer? You're looking for the box drawer?
No, me I look for somebody with name Joe.
What me look like, mama? Me look like a dictionary? Eh? Me look like me I walk and store people with name drawer? You come. Hello, miss. Can I ask you a question? Not even good morning.
Me never come, me
Shadow
never.
the road. Shadow the road, mama. Shadow the road. Cause you see, you like grieve me. A man is just like, I'm come out here, we take like a sun. And the sun gone cause of the bamboo then. And you come, hello, miss, can I ask you a question? Not even morning. Not
Me
even
not cussing
morning.
now. Me not cussing.
You know, cause more, you make me ignorant now. You're like greedy.
You know what? Me say me the evil top.
His shape so good, you the evil. Let me shut them mouth.
Boy, like none sun not shine today. Oh, hello.
Sun a go shine.
I talk about sun a go shine. I notice your face from the other day. How it look so?
Come to my face.
So how your face look so?
Oh.
Anytime your man and you in an argument, me notice say you even take a little time and you sit down by yourself one away now and again and you not say nothing to me. I want to your man. What am I do to you again?
Me and my man good in do nothing. We good like gold.
I lie. So, all of the pasta and the this and the that I hear about it. You know, go so?
No. It's just bad man people speaking.
I wonder if you realize that who you talk to me about. The same little dirty foot boy where you tell me say you do with how long where you love so much. And
If foot no dirty.
I'm here saying have woman a road with you. Talk truth.
No business.
You're not business for your woman with you.
Me ma come back to.
Me backside and you're not sure
Bun
if
is
they
a
use-
must.
Bun is
You
a
have to
must.
get bun. And when you're married, you still get bun. You didn't know that?
You know, say this, you try story from what me they talk about. Bun is a must, of course. Bun there before me and you born. And that me they talk about.
What you talk about?
You proud of your man, I give you bun and you don't know if you might use protection. You have sense in boss it?
Me and him I use the protection.
Yeah, but boss it. You and him I use protection. Excuse you, girl, if you have sense. Me is your
What kind of
biggest
sense
sister.
you need?
No, me is your biggest sister. You say
Candy, alright, let me say something to you, Candy. You see, your mindset and my mindset are two different mindsets. Secondly, you have to get born in this world. No matter what good you do, you are going to get born.
You know, say I idiot.
At the end of the day, and me ma come back to a night time.
And that's what you talk about. You
Yes.
not understand me. So let me explain
How are
you
you?
and tell you.
No, don't mind me. Me just...
I may talk to you, you know, I wouldn't let. Listen this. What I mean is that you have your man, he must stray a bird. You don't know if he might use protection. You don't know if he can catch disease and come give back. You don't know if he breed nobody out the road.
If he breed nobody out the road business.
Burn him with me. Burn him with me.
You know, so right it.
What do you mean by that's right it?
Me now give me man no bun.
Bun is a must.
Exactly. So I will take it. Me never tell you someone want to give him none. How old you by the way? How your name?
Oh, Tom.
Me don't need to shake your hand.
Something wrong with your hand.
Shanice.
Oh, and you?
Candy. This is Candy, my bigger sister. She kinda dumb when she say man.
Oh, so you're from around here?
Yes, I want.
Can't get to know you something?
No. You just hear me talk about me man. What more you want to know?
Me just a pass a while and I hear say I give bun. So
Me no business. Me put cheese on it and get some joint.
I saw she moved some
Come
man.
here. Sorry, here.
Maybe I saw one.
You know, say I idiot.
Oh, me a idiot.
You know, remember this a boy where we buck down in the store the other day and he must spend how much money down there, your man, and no money, you fool.
Me stick
You
to
like
him.
broke pocket, man.
Alright,
Okay, alright. Sorry about that, here.
But
Listen.
anyways, me say I have money.
Jesus Christ.
Huh?
You still want me number?
No. Me not have no money. I am me sell a market.
It's a lie.
Yeah, me sell a market.
Alright, me not want to hear. Come on, good done.
Go on.
Yeah, say,
Me go talk to him. Go on about your
talk
business.
to them, boy.
Yeah, this not concerning. That's not your business. Just go on. Because me say no head pan your body.
Me check you later, yeah?
Alright, later.
How you live?
I live right down the road, then I go turn left, and then I go right, and then I come over the big hill.
Right, left,
Right, left, big hill.
big girl. Which, the house not a color?
No really. You know, no color.
Okay.
But AC, they panning.
So everybody else have AC?
No.
Where you going? This is time what? You can't, you didn't see me?
Later.
You can't, you can't.
She try pull a string fit. And my sister, but she fool. She not no sense any for man where we take care of woman good. You like man we broke and have no money, man we fight her and beat her. And when the man beat her, at that the time that she said the man love her. You know the type of woman they will say if man
You,
no beat them, the
me,
man no love them.
I saw my ex left me, go to a man and the man beat him, go, beat him, come, beat him, go in there, no, yeah, right now.
So all the years she a chat about me ain't say her money. You me attack she attack.
Oh.
Right now if you give her a certain amount of money, she don't need that. Cause she no used to it. Her man no give her money.
Okay.
Then girl they love tin mackerel and chicken back.
Oh.
Yeah,
I like it.
they like it.
Hmm.
But anyway, me know why you stay so like the man who she have. The man who she have now no sense. That the man they not have year bun and she a eat that
No,
too.
me not give but.
And my sister, but me not tell her like all me they put little sense in her head say, make sure say you use condom with your man. He use condom for me. I'm in a business if you want to go road go do this and you want to go road go do that. Then what kind of girl that? And what kind of relationship that? Then? What kind of man that too? Eh?
You show the man that time?
Well, me don't know, you know.
You show the
But
man
if
not
it
dig
all
a
she the
hole and
boss, me no
put a
know.
pin in her picture and put it down in the hole. With little bit of the man blood on top of the picture and say, yeah, yeah.
Hello. All she the boss and they go on right. So I believe the man do that. So you see, Miss me no know if you come and hear the fully conversation with me and her did have a true me don't hear how the man a beat her. But anytime she see me through, she know me stay. She not tell me say the man do her nothing. But me hear long time say man a beat her. But guess what? Me not go attack the man until he come out of fear mouth. Because when she can't take it no more, she
She
go
have to
come and
talk.
tell me and she go chat because she know say me head no good.
Just let me know I go on and we link up.
Yeah man.
The number 876
Hold on then, man. You move too
3636916.
fast, you know. You
Eh?
move too fast, you know, Virgin. What you say your name again?
Oh, so, me never say that name.
Me no know if you tell me no name, you know, and me never tell you my name, and my sister tell you my name.
Alright. See the name of me girl up. You know, really you that the name here.
Hmm.
But you can call me Jerry.
Oh, Jerry.
Yeah, that's my
So
real
you're a
name.
Jerry. Is a work you put me upon, you know. And I'm money me say, you know, this is 2025, you know, me no come to Lele, I work, me a work, you know, and a chicken, me a
So,
jerk. So you say, me go line up my sister upon you? Eh? You have to go pay me, nah, tell no lie. And each talk you talk for about 200 US that. Every time you want me to get her to get in touch with them, you have to go pay me. Me not like, I mean, the Jamaican dollar thing. 'Cause right now that the money they don't follow nothing. So you have to go talk to me straight and come straight. But this
every
a
time we
agreement,
talk
yeah.
to her.
No, me no mean every word that come out your mouth, you know. Every time you get in touch with me, if you get in touch with my sister, so my sister can, you know, come
200
meet you.
US.
200 US, I
You
work, me I
could
work.
say $50
No,
US.
man, you idiot, man, then the Monday out of style. Then the Monday not say nothing again.
Alright. 200 US.
So you agree?
Me not fully agree but me missing no.
No, you have to agree from yourself. Me can't call enough man I look me this time, me can line her up on somebody else. So what you say? Can me see you like her?
Alright, me agree. Me
Alright,
agree.
swear. So here I know no.
So the magic can work.
Pinky swear. So here I know no.
Pinky swear.
Pinky swear, say it.
Pinky swear.
And you mean it say you give me 200 US.
I mean, you should well be 200 US. One time.
No man, every time you link me to get in touch with my sister, 200 US, and that the pinky swear and you can't take back your talking to me, you're going in a big problem. So let it go. I hate that. I hate that.
Hello, miss. Can I talk to you for a minute? Do you help me like that?
Girl, right now, me not in a no mood, you know, what you want to talk about? Cause something I think about right I say, and you're not even say hello or whatever. You just come, hello, miss, me can talk to you for a minute. So you
Good
expect me to
afternoon,
talk to
miss.
you nice, don't?
Good
And me in a for
afternoon.
me problem, me sister problem the on me head, you know, me I wonder what I want. What you say, girl? Where you say?
You
Come
full
sit
of
down. Sit down
attitude,
right
eh?
here,
Yes,
sir.
come.
Yeah,
No,
man,
I feel
yeah. Sit
tired.
down, sit down. Where you say? Where you say?
You know, some man I give me bun though, with one girl. And me no know what to
Hello,
do.
hello. Me look like concert here. Me look like guidance concert here. I won't tell you no about me. So every time we no have no man problem and me no fi come to with it. So what me
Because,
go do now?
because that's my way people can talk to.
Alright, where you say?
I
Talk
always
to
at
me.
your about to
It's
say
alright.
can talk to you.
Yeah, yeah, where you say?
Yes, yeah, ma give me bun with one girl.
Where your name?
Me no know if you do.
Where your name?
Tina.
Tina your name?
Yes.
So who tell about me? Every
Me
time
always at
people
hear
are
about
come
you
to
in
me,
the community. That's why I stop and talk to you.
so me have no counselor.
I don't really count. I say, I can't want to go advice. I can't tell me what to do.
Where your man do? Where you do to your man?
Me not do nothing. Me do everything where I
So what is the
want.
problem between you and your man?
Me no know. Me no know. Me no do nothing. Everything where say me fi do, me do it. Me no know what the problem. Me just feel like I just get up and cheat. Me frustrated. Me just want to know if you do about the situation.
Girl, you can point out the girl where you keep with you. You sure say the man I'll give you bun?
Yes, man, give me button.
What proof you have?
Me here. Me here. And me
Here.
see him a move. Me not see me the girl, but me hear about the girl and me see him a move.
Hold on
When
there.
he come near
So
me.
hold on. Cause you look like you have a problem, you know. You look like you are the problem, and you are give your man bun, you know. Cause listen to me now. You hear say, you don't see with your two yeah, you know. You don't see with your two yeah, you know. You hear say your man a give you bun, and you like take it to heart and believe to till you
Because,
think about you want me if it talk to you. Okay, me and your counselors trying
no,
to
it's
do.
not just like
If your
that.
man a give you bun, just give him back. Cause that if it's where you want me to tell you say.
That's all I can say.
So why you believe when you take it to heart
Me
until you sit down
not
and
really
stress out?
believe, but to him a move, me see say him change, like, yeah, something did it. He
Yeah.
now move smooth like how we used to move in the first time we start
Alright.
talk.
Me understand.
Yeah.
You
I know
need
me got hear about him and the girl, so yeah. Yeah,
alright,
me
listen
feel
what I'm
so.
gonna. You need to call him and sit down with him and have a steady conversation with him. Ask him questions. And you know, say him a go ask you questions too. But when you go question him, make sure say you not going to no haggish style. Cause some woman have some piggish mentality style, you know. And then they approach a man them in a certain type of way and say the man. Although me know say some man have some piggish mentality way too, you know.
Yeah.
But you see like why you're a man, how long you on him there?
What's around 3 years now, soon 4.
Me rock a whole a long time that
A
man.
long time. And me no want
Anyway,
nobody take him away from me.
I lie.
Feel me him. Someone.
Backside.
And what you tell me say is something really when me can think about fi
Yeah,
do, fi
think about
true.
it. You need
Yeah.
to do it. Call him and have a
Me can't talk to him because me don't know. Sometimes he mad.
ignorant.
Yes,
So
right.
you animal always fight and so.
No wanna fight, but we are with an argument.
Here you know. So talk to him, question him, find out. Although you not have to tell you the truth, but some man will just tell you the truth and tell you sorry or whatever, and tell you how comes this a happen or whatever. Some not talk the truth. But you don't know why I'm going to say to you. So just call him, sit down with him and talk to him. Question him. From the life where you and him start live, cause you say, I know so you and him used to move before,
Right.
you know, just meet. And I
Right.
cheer, you know, there. Me backside that long, I saw you love him.
Yes,
So,
but I don't want to lose him to nobody.
so you always give money and them something. And
Yeah, make me happy. But from what day, me time me see say he have a new face, yeah, everything change.
so you know the girl where man keep?
No, me no know. Me just hear about her.
You see, you still can't prove it. Certain things that I really want to
Well,
tell you pertaining to what you said to me, I cannot tell it to you. So the only thing me say, as me said before, talk to him. Sit down and hold a conversation and figure out what is the problem, why he might behave like that all of a sudden. You understand?
me agree on that. Me I go do that with you, cause
So
that's a good
somebody will
idea.
always take you out and so care go have dinner and buy your clothes
Yes,
and give you
that
gifts.
before everything.
And give you gifts, money, everything.
Yes,
So him do all your hairstyle and so.
yes, when me ready.
Right, it's like make you feel jealous, say, man, give you
Right,
your money.
yes.
Me
Nobody not forget you,
backside.
me alone.
But sometimes I don't know about them again, you know. I can't you not get the right position in the bed.
That's our next one.
Eh?
That's our next one.
Oh, what? You're not set the right way or what?
Me no know what the problem. I just feel like we just take a new one. I probably tired of me. Me no know.
Yeah, so a man just look for one woman and tear them so.
Me no know what
Just
the problem.
so.
Me no fit tell you the truth, you know. Me no know what the problem.
You know my name?
No, miss. Tell me your name.
My name Candy, but you can call me Poochie.
Alright, Poochie.
Anyway, if you don't work out what me tell you to do when you sit down and talk to me, you come back and see me. You want my number where your phone?
Me no have your phone. No, me put my number in your
give me
phone.
so I mean if you call you about your business, no.
But me not have my phone.
No, me
Me
can't
live
do that.
nearby. Probably when me a pass, but me see you.
No,
Cause me live
me
right down the
don't feel my
road.
business, I feel your business and me, I want to talk to you about it. Well, come find me, because I always the right and so hard down for the stretch on this.
Alright, then me find you.
Yeah.
Alright, me I go over now.
What's your name again?
Tina.
Tina, alright, Tina.
Alright,
I
Poochie.
hope you and her, I hope you and your matey meet one day, and I hope you and your man start out to no problem. But you're saying, then if in the keep a man with you, we are looking
Me no want to tell him about no matey. No.
can you look
me feel
jealous
bad.
too? I say you love him?
Yes.
Oh,
Don't
God.
tell him about no matey.
So you're saying handle it properly?
Right.
A lie.
Yes,
Like a
baby.
magic, you don't want thinking nobody
No.
else. But you have to learn to share, man. You have to learn to share.
So
man.
wait,
Like
if you have something with sweet you want to share it?
Sometime the honey too sweet, you know, you kind of clyde in, you have to kind of dilute it with water. That means you share it.
No, me not share it. I'm not sharing it.
Oh, me not wrong here, yeah. What is yours? Hold on pan it.
Yes,
If I
mine.
not feel, but if I not
Right.
feel, be careful.
Yes.
Remember the last word when me say, if it's not yours, be careful. But if I feel, hang on pan it, my darling. See you
Never
later,
forever
cause
hang
right
on
now
pan
my
it.
sister me a wait pan, you know, cause
All
you
right.
another one, you know, and girl they take my sister man and anyhow, me buck that the girl there, you know. Cause me no know her, you know, and anyhow me buck her, she not go like it.
You not pay man problem.
I hell and powder,
Me
scan
can't
girl
bother
and come
ya.
take me sister man. I'm going like I said, the man on bad girl and I my one. Are you mad?
Me gonna know him later.
I must say mad. Any day me see that the girl where I take my sister man, me sorry for she. All the drawers what she have on me a tear up. Oh. Must see bright and take my sister man money and go near me.
Where can go meet the sister for babe?
Come on now.
I still know if I cook down a yard and I see their
See my
son.
sister here.
Good morning.
Sis, him. Me can't him fear talk to him. Can they give me bun now? Him a give me bun, me. Me
Me?
here. Nobody come talk about me.
Me
Sis,
a
me
give
just want you
bun?
talk to him.
Me?
Hold on there. Look like I really me I can't say
Every
this
day
Alina.
me tell her say you and me but you just me tell her. She does paranoid. She just care and trust me. Every me go down there say I want girl me go to. If me go to shop I want girl me go to. If me dey in a bathroom me phone a girl me dey on phone with.
Yeah.
She just can't trust me and me tell her if you trust
Well,
me, me
okay.
not do nothing.
Okay, me here. Listen here now. You just know me or you didn't know me before?
Me just know you. She always tell me boy me just meet you.
Alright. She's supposed to tell us that my name Candy, but my nickname is Poochie. You can call me Poochie. Right? So anyway, see me, you can yell me up and say Poochie. If you're not cheap on my sister, because you see anybody we are cheap
Can't
on
me
my
say
sister.
now you come and me look bad in front of your sister or tell your sister say pay a gay bun.
Then top give bun, you won't look bad.
Who me a gay bun with?
Hold on there. So, you're certain say my gear bun.
Sis, me hear countless time more than three somebody tell me one
So,
broad looking girl.
Hold on. Sorry, you soon talk. You ever see the girl before?
No.
So you don't know the girl?
No.
And you cannot prove it?
People
No, you're
more
no.
than three somebody
Me
not
no
tell
want.
like, if you no go so, in here if you go so.
Alright, listen.
Tell you.
Listen here now. You know me stay already. So me no want go pick problem with somebody we not guilty away I said to me. But anyway, hello sir, you. Let me tell you something. You see my sister? You see if you know say you don't love my sister? You see if you, whatever you say your name, no want my sister, you no need her in your life, let her go. Please in the name of Jesus.
Me tell her every day me love her.
You tell her every day you love her. Me no did it. Me no want to hear about that part. Me just tell her say
every day me tell her say me love her and she does nah let me.
Me just tell her say if you no need me sister, leave her alone. Make she find another man. Cause it doesn't make any sense. You dey pretend like you love me sister and you have another girl. Cause anyhow, what you know? When me but that the girl she not gonna like it, you know, and you not gonna like when me I go do you either, you know.
Me not have no other
Cause me head
girl.
no good. And that me I tell you, me head sick. I'm a little sister this. Me and that rest of sister them depend them one and them big. And my younger sister this, and me no want no man come style me sister and this up me sister. So if you know say you go use her, let her go. You hear me tell you? Me don't talk, listen. You, I want another puppy show, you know. When me they tell you about the other day, when you tell me, you know, I mean, I said to you, say, you know, if you know saying the gear bone and you can't stand it, let him go. No.
That time they can so
Me love me man.
Know.
Me love me man.
Everybody know
I
what.
say you beat her, but listen, let me tell you something. She
Put me hand by you.
She say anyhow you no lick her.
Me put me hand by.
No, listen what she say. Hold on, because you're going like I say, you know, like me sister tell for you.
Only way me hand go put on me a rubber, I don't get a massager.
Well,
Me no put me hand like me a sister.
I will find out one day. She tell me, say, when me tell her,
I tell the sister, yeah.
When me tell her if you leave you alone, she say me nah left me man. When my man beat me, me love him more. And if he not lick me, that means say no love me so. And what they go on down that day, there? Cause no man can come beat me and me say I love you, love me. A foolishness that.
Tab look for you, see me put me hand by you.
Yeah.
When?
Even last night.
So, what is the right answer?
Me fist you in your face.
And she take it for joke. You see, so she like when I beat her.
And to them me know say you're wicked. To them me know say you're wicked. Remember say me fist you in your eye.
I mean, that.
No, I mean, cause I mean, I name there, I know you.
But me don't say yes when you repeat yourself. So I wanna call the bonus.
No, hold on.
I prison you want send me go. I prison you want
send name again. What you say your name? I never tell me your name. What you say your name? What is your name?
Name Toga.
Toga your name. Where you come from? What is?
Banana Walk.
You see what kind of man you take up man from Banana Walk? No wonder why you're the idea. The boy they will live down a banana. Don't that the place the Banana Walk. Me no want nobody down there look me. Cause the whole of them behave like when the banana leaf them dry up. And you find him on a contract, but me love him. Me not left him because he always beat me, so he love me. He's a idiot.
Look for me look like somebody that beat somebody.
Looks is deceiving. Me can't come in at the party, but I'll me tell you, if you know, say you beat me sister, stop.
Me not beat her.
Stop, so no go like, look here, me
This have a big hole a bite mark. She and girl a fight.
See what?
She and girl a fight when her ex. And no, she tell us me.
You know, so me see it funny and me the wonder if I
know me her ex. She a fight girl over.
No, she a boss anytime you beat her. I love her. So me want to know how that add up man beat woman and that
you're
means I love
wicked. You're looking at me, eye. You're wicked. Remember to tell us you're wicked.
Sir, why you dey down on her so I need to talk to you?
Cause she wicked when she can't tell us me put me hand
but
on
she
her.
tell me say, when you beat her, that means you love her. And where you get that story from? Are you pack up them the foolishness saying I'm side about when man beat woman
that means she tell her that. And she tell her that and I lie. Because me no put me hand on her.
So, wait there, Shanice. I lie, did I tell pan him?
We come to talk about bun and talk about fight and war and beat and me not doing that fight.
Me don't talk about the gun part already. He say nah, you know, bun and me tell him say make sure I say me no hear or see in the do it, else it not go nice. Me if you continue one conversation all along.
And that we come to talk about.
Oh well, she said that. Hello, where you say name? Toga? From Banana Walk. Listen, let me tell you something. You see, when you and my sister go home, me ask you, please, me they beg you, do not put back your hand for my sister, and if you they give her bun, stop her. If you want continue with that, the girl whosoever it may be, but stop from hurt my sister, because every night she come up on me hard. I come call me. When I no come, she call me on phone and tell me, oh, do the game bun, and he hear say. I rude when name whatever. Look here. Yeah, me no want go down too far in this, but please stop hurting me, sister. That me may want to talk to you about. Stop from hurt me, sister. Me tell her, every time me hear your phone, me think of sitting, she call me say, she win lotto or something.
You know what me saying nah, you
bone you give her.
Me nah give no bone.
Every time, me don't know, me can't prove it yet. But
oh, when not east and say how far east are there, I mean no buy no bone yet. Me no buy
You
no
not say
bun
nothing. You
yet.
see a man a take a feed that can't talk about bun and East and one for sitting. You not say
That's
nothing.
the only time I give her bun.
You're not saying anything.
Nah, no, visa that's
When
not
I
care for
east,
you.
that
Oh,
she
so you
say
just
she
love him for
want
nothing at all.
bun.
Chat, my
So,
chat
by
things
the
and
way,
leave me
Shanice, oh,
pan.
you go fall in love with man from Banana Walk? Me not understand. Them the kind of man that me pass them like me don't even see them like they don't exist. What your problem?
They hungry. They have nothing to eat. And me just say, my walk with about 4 banana.
So me get 3. And then find that in the top, give me banana. So, I end up there with him.
And
And then you end up there with him for him personal
she
banana where you
never,
have because
she
you love
want the
banana.
banana.
Yes.
Oh,
And then he take it and get brown in.
and you're brave enough to turn up attack. Listen to me. Me not like going to
Tap
people
say
business,
me
you
a
know, through
give
you and my
brown.
sister and you can't tell me about your man. And through you know, say me ignorant and stay bad and me not like then something you know, say me love you as me little sister. Look here, don't mix me. And me on a counselor. Look here. Sir, go on this party. Ain't saying now, give no bun. You can't go on now. Maybe I lie this somebody they tell.
Hey, and she a believe people over
You know,
me.
you have to go on.
So,
So now me and you come
so
here
you're one of
and
them.
run me.
You're one of them where they run your man, where you live in a house with, and when me turn me back, it won't go and
Alright,
Me
everything
want to
good.
say something to you.
Everything good, yeah?
Then I saw you disrespect
Everything
your
alright.
man. True you see for your sister? What you say? What you have to say? Alright.
When me did go left you up the start at the time, me need you no money.
You never see your man right there so little while to ask him if he not have no money.
A banana one you have. Hey, you will live banana walk.
What's it? You're workless, man. You're workless. Because before you meet him, you know say a banana walk here and come from. You know a banana in sell. And you go take 15 banana plus that the banana there. So how me catching at this
You
now?
didn't get number. That me do want know.
No, I never take in number because guess what?
Say nigga, you not forgive me.
No, guess
So
what?
you up there talk
Me
about.
find out say you're idiot, so me and him make one deal
I did.
to line you up on him.
Oh, sure. How much my pay you?
That's enough for your business. I work,
Anything
me I
my
work.
pay you, me forget half.
So hold on then. No man. No man. Wait. This a injustice or whatever then. Look here. So you really care your man come to me. For me and your man in an argument saying they give you bun and you want to give your man bun. Is either you left your man, they with me brethren when me and him make deal for hook up your on him.
But how much my pay that me want know if you
No,
worth it?
that no concern you.
Yeah,
Either you
that's all
left your
fair.
man and go there with the man when me I go hook you up on, or you stay with your man and no bother make me hook you up on,
Me
my
stay and
friend.
get you bun.
Me we give me brethren one another girl. You too stay bad. So
Me
why
stay
you
and
want?
get you bun.
So me you want going at them the bangarang there? You better you go and try to go and go catch back your man. Cause me
Me
feel
don't
line
need
up.
to catch him back in if you wait for me than Alice.
Shanice, you know say you're unfair, me and your sister, but you're unfair. After you carry your man name to me saying they give you bun.
Oh, you set me up.
Although me did hear to saying they give you bun, I'm going to tell you too.
Yes,
But
and
guess,
somebody else tell me when me I walk go down, and then somebody else tell me again.
and you want give him bun, but you don't want him to give you no bun. Life is unfair.
But me
Jacka
I get
say,
it, somebody tells me give back.
Jacka say the world no level. You're unfair, don't put me in another part there. And yes, when you're your man in, you no problem, don't care back to me. Cause you know me stay, you dey make sure come call. When you say him again, Tugger and him come from a banana walk. And them man they love stay with them. Leave me alone.
Me go out with my banana walk, man.
Yes, that's true because you hear say this a man you have money now, you come and come push up yourself. You say, Uno, love give on and can't take you. You're lucky. That's a phone no business. That's too damn timing.
Wagwan. Yeah, man, me a work for them, man. Yes. Remember, say me know the code, you know. Sure. Say. Nothing nice for me. Yo, me need some money, man. Me have a mission me I go pan. And it require money. Hold on, me call you back. Yeah, just give me a second. What? Come on. Sorry if you bother you like that, but I sister me I call you about still, so you say I go on for me, you know. You talk to her. Huh?
Let me tell you something. You put me on a job, don't?
Mm-hmm.
Say in a fee, so me start a job.
Of course me know say you must start it. Cause you know, it's a job is a job.
Yeah, but the reason why maybe she not contact you yet, it depends on how you want to deal with this thing. Remember, say me and make an agreement, you know. You have to
Okay.
give me your money, you
So
know.
the engine can't move without oil.
Encouragement, sweet labor. And it's strength me too.
But me think say, when me get my goodies, at that time, me pay.
No man. Me not even know say me I come see you to your gate. So guess what? I shot me did that go, you know.
Oh.
And you can give me a start, you know, and then we go back again, go talk back to her again. Cause you know it's a choke, eh. Remember say she have her man, you know. Remember, she have her man.
The man have to know
But
what.
through the man, they fight her and sing. That's the reason why mother line her up on you.
In life like this, she love her
But
man, but
guess
he
what?
have to burn him.
No, listen, not say that.
Hmm?
Not say so. Listen. You see if me give you my sister,
Mm-hmm.
I you alone I go there with my sister. Me no want my sister have done two man one time. It will cause problem between you and the man. So
Alright,
would
so
that make she left the man completely and come
it
to
will
you.
come on to
Eh.
I now go deal with your sister no bad way. I go make sure we a princess.
And you'd have take care of my sister better than that, the dirty man. You know
What you
so?
mean? I would have make sure she eat the healthiest food.
So why you want she give her man bun? You know better you just take her and done because my sister you love her.
Yeah, but in the meantime, she can go on till when...
No
this-
man, what kind of heart you have? You love one woman and they will go on until when what?
No, and so love come. Alright. In life, you know, you talk to a partner, but you don't trust him and you get him a give a bun. You have to have another side, somebody.
No side thing. I same thing me talk to my sister about. She want contact to you. She could have contacted you already, you know. But actually, you know, give me no money yet, so me kind of hold you off. But me can't make sure they talk to you and they deal with that the man the same way because I see him problem she and her man have. She they cry. My man a give me bun. He might cheat for me. So me no like it. Why me if you go take side to my sister and make my sister hide and they there with you and still have that the man there? She have to go lift that the man there and they with you or she stay with the man. You get what me I say? Me not turn no hypocrite man. Although I'm my sister, I mean know you have money and I want a little money.
Me I look for them as a 200 US every time you send her
Yeah,
come.
because I work, you know, kind of love that the man, they like idiot, you know, man, we a beat her.
So what about she?
I mean, no, you're
You
not going to
gonna
put your
give
hand.
money out of 200 US?
What a way, you're mad, then you're not going to give her for your money and you go have her for yourself, wholly and solely. Remember say, you know, me not going to make shit there with the man still and there with you, you know.
Why don't you say a one payment time? Like, we give her 200 US, you put in the words, she come to me, she check me, without this so, without squashing this so. And then she move in, cause when she move in, and my wife say, you don't need to collect no more money.
You're not know there yet. So you go and pay me until this a sitting and start out good. When you have her for your wife, then you tap give me money. But for now, I work, money me say. But me not agree with the part the way I chat about and also love God and she can go and give bun and sitting. So you don't really love her if you try and want to deal with the man there and then she can go and sleep with you and go back go sleep with the next man.
No, cause you don't do me the same thing.
That you fi know. Me I try lick that in your head long time and know you talk. You know you talking things them. Okay.
She would have do me the same thing.
Yeah, but you don't know say.
But
What you
no-
just say, he come me I wonder if you see my sister one away, you know.
No,
What you said to me, she when they say it to me the other day too. I can't tell me about where the man there and if you know give me no money I want it for sitting. So me I
No,
say,
me
girl,
never
you
say
want
that.
there with your man still and there with that the man there, not because you have money.
because in life, you know, some of them girls love the man and then burn the man.
No, me not encourage my sister to
Because
do that.
why they do that?
One man or
They
none at
love
all.
the man, yes, they no can't do that, but the man have no money. So they must have burn him. You understand? They love the man. All when me tell the man to me, call him back in a few
So you
seconds.
believe in a loving somebody and then give them bun, that is love? I
No.
don't know love that.
I don't love.
If you did love the person, you're not gonna give person no bun.
But you have, I tell you have 4 types of love because it's spelled with 4 letters.
Mm-hmm. Tell me then.
You have one where you love naturally and you just decide to adopt the person that you stick with. Right?
You're not give no bun.
And you not give no but.
Whether him or she, you're not give that a person a no bun.
No but.
Okay.
Second one, you have some of them, they love the man, but they will burn him because the man have no money. Right? Third one, they love the man and the man have money, but the man have no use.
Yes.
Do you understand?
Yes.
Fourth one,
Them finish so little.
no, they don't use it. It don't matter.
Oh.
Use.
Fourth one.
Whether or not use now.
How the fourth one now know?
The fourth one, they love the man, look it on.
Let me say it already, but me can't say it again because you don't want to say it. You say you have
Look it on.
you know
No.
what? I hope I know you do.
No, I don't
Like, they tell us the fourth one, From the jack me and go out right, and if too little, it can cause problem too. So me understand.
No. Have use and I have use and it's safe. Although some man can have the long thing and I know you same way with this. Because some of them all them are do a ram like an idiot. They don't know if it take time, wind up in it and wind up and make woman wet up, make foot vibrate up.
Yes!
You ever get it?
Hallelujah and the dirty wine. Why?
You ever get it and when you look at your foot and go so?
You know, so me I can hold a good conversation. So give me money now, no?
Yeah, there. Go. Tomorrow, me have to go back. Go on.
No, I run
you
you
just
run
cut
me.
the vibes out.
Anyhow you run me. You know, you're not going to get me sister. Remember, say out of all of the girls when you talk to my sister, your heart a beat for you, know?
Yeah, cause she have a nice bumper.
Me know.
Yeah, man. Like that.
I already started work for you, but you not give me no money.
I love short money, you know, cause you see my ex-baby mother, she short, you know, man. So I love when them short and neat.
And her bottom cock up, so.
Right, but when I read I married a tall lady, cause the tall one, them can't look right in my face and then they are past her altar. Yeah. The short one, them now you have to bend, so. But I love your sister still.
Me go.
But the fourth one, they love the man.
Say what my sister number?
No.
Remember you did ask me for friend that day, but you want it? No, give you. Me can't give you. You see, when you want to get to my sister, get to my phone. Me give you my number. Because remember, say me, you make one plan. The deal is, every time you need to get in touch with she a go come to me that on my phone. So you have to go give me 200 US number.
So you work like a Western Union. So if anything, if we want the money, we have to go through the Western Union.
Rare up. No Western Union.
Me
put my number in there. Me now go put, you know, me name them already. Candy, me I put Fuchi in it here. Alright, and my number.
Oh, that's God. Why me? Why me?
Alright, see ya. Yes, when you're ready, just call me. See me put in Fuchi. Just press save now.
Sure.
Right.
Good.
Right.
Alright, so.
So when you say, give me a thing, you know.
We talk about that tomorrow. We call her, man. I need to work for me, need to go back for my call.
My youth, you put me off every minute, you know.
You
can't walk me out and not give me no money. When me I go get the first money?
In a week.
Which day in a week? And what time me feel link you? Because I don't want when me come and foolishness again, you know.
You'll call her Wednesday.
Oh, me I sitting to tell you. You see my sister where you say love? One other man when they ask me about her.
No, yeah. I call her Tuesday.
Tuesday?
Yeah, Tuesday. Yeah, Tuesday. Respect. Don't buy your food, you know. Yeah.
You buy me food?
You need to look earlier and say a food you go buy.
Are you go buy me or me go buy me stuff?
You go buy it.
So, Tuesday, you say?
Tuesday.
So, the man that we look my sister, I have to go keep him off because I know say you rate my sister.
Right, just tell him say your sister taken.
And me did hear chat the other day. Me want to go in, but that's true. Me love people business your fault. Other day me tell somebody over there so how somebody go a name brand place them in Canada. And them all buy how much a name brand sitting for you. Can buy some for me sister and for me too.
So you hear about that?
I pan phone me here, you take time talk.
Alright. Yeah man. I'll buy you some.
How you do? Try run me way boy, you buy me some and yeah man, if you go back pan phone. Remember say business we talk about you know, my sister you want.
But the money me up on the line. I mean I get the money from the line, I'll give your sister the money. Remember the bank, me can't go to bank, you know.
So I bank sitting and start out now?
No, a phone call me I make.
But when Tuesday, today you can't say tomorrow. Today is Sunday, I have to wait till how much a day.
Alright. Check me tomorrow evening, I'll call you.
You serious?
Yeah man, I'll call you. In the evening. Like in the 6, 7 o'clock when they go down tonight.
But me have to go down go chat to my sister. Me got to make my sister left the dirty boy.
Alright.
You and my sister fit.
Tim don't lie for the boy. Tell the boy with us.
No, me not tell a lie upon him. That video. You see that way I make me do? Me make my sister go do it and next man and tell lie upon you and leave him to tell me if you do that. You know, say hypocrite you want on me now.
Alright, you're right.
Remember say I want the money tomorrow. Me gone later, you hear?
Yeah man. Yes, bro G. Sorry about that. Me tell you a couple seconds but me take too long. Yeah.
My backside. Can't believe this is sitting here. That's showing on my bag. Auntie, I did a carry for my sister. Watch out. Me pick up your near me, you know. Come no know you can just drop out of ground. So any expensive, you know, man. Alright. My money they were did in my bag.
Hello, Miss Pucci. I see you again. No, me can't bother.
You again?
Me again.
Why problem now, my love?
Now ask one question. When they have a man, right? And he might go out, come back when he feel like a night time, he hardly sleep at the yard. When he come home, he just feel like different perfume every time he come home. You don't feel like a cheat him a cheat?
What? With perfume, what?
Smell like different type.
Let me ask you one question. I start me? How long you stand up there, so?
Nah, stop you. You feel like you're busy, so we don't wait for your face.
Look how the damn sitting con jump out. You at me now, me care for me, sis.
It has done already.
Anyway, if me have one man, right? And in they sleep out. What if me have one man or if you have one man? Can no man me have can sleep out unless a security work, police work or a soldier work him do. So me know say sometime a shifting and it depends on the time of duty where they get. And then I go, where you say? I know me if you have one man or you have one man where you sleep
put
out.
It away then.
Well, no, so what I say you when you talk, no, you address me because if me have one man, your man do security work when they do sleep out and they come in back smelling different perfume.
That's when I do.
Jesus Christ, so me I really your counsel. Where you know me from, girl? Where you about me?
You just no really hear nothing about you, I just hear say Poochie, me can talk to her about things so. That's what I say last time I talk to you.
Master God.
Me doesn't know what to do.
As me tell you, if me have one man, or the perfume when me know him using have to smell like, or the perfume when me buy or him buy, no matter. You have to use. You're coming back with one different scent than the scent when me know you left out with, you have to go give a count feed. You understand? You have to go tell me how you smell like another woman perfume, or you can't come tell me no lie say I buy one new perfume is ready. You're supposed to have it in your bag and come put it down on the dresser. So that means say plain and straight me they tell you your man I give you bun.
Me know something like that I want. But we doesn't know who.
So it did take me if tell you say your man I give you bun if your man left out with Dolce and Gabbana scent and coming back with millions scent. What you expect? You have millions and you had you feel have sense. You feel have sense.
Look, you know, so come and you disrespect me.
No, but that's true. Because if my man I use Gucci and he coming back with, let me see what kind of color now. He coming back with Victoria's Secret. Why first thing you have in your head say me go think?
I come for us girl and rub up.
Then you couldn't think that for yourself, you have to see
me. I think what more know with me. I think the right thing. Me no want that.
Oh, so you want people brain for use for you? Where for your brain there?
I'm not saying that.
So look here, where say your name Tina? I said it say for a long time because you know lie, you tell me say you did name Tina. Where your name?
Tina.
Oh, I say your name still. Okay, me think gonna change it because me have to deal with this sitting here every day, you know, like me a counsellor for the community. So guess what? Me not rushing, you know, but you're not baby. And you have your man, you tell me you're your man there how much years ago. What 3 years you did say?
Yeah.
And then me don't know you're there 3 years when you know met. And you know, say I saw your man corrupt and if your man a give you bun enough from your meeting, you're supposed to see it in your eyes, so you go give me bun, you know. Because you see red flags them, you know. Then come in nice and cozy. And then they take out every dime out of them pocket and give you. And by the time you open up your legs so, and the shop door open so, before you even lock it back with the key, bun under your nose. So you have sense. Because me not, look here, I am not perfect. Me not say my man can't give me bun. But he have to come good. Give me bun good. Nobody can't give me no lean bun, because if you give me no lean bun, you know, go walk out. Because once me find out, say, give me bun, you know. I don't need it, because you not going to make me keep 2 man one time, you know. Me either left you, go to another man, or you keep yourself quiet and be yourself, and me forgive you about that bun the way when they do it, you know. Continue with me, because I don't know idiot fear, you know. So you must know, nice little girl like you, young girl, good looking, You are going to tell me say you stress out over one man where you give your bun? Girl, if your man a give you bun, and you don't want him no more and they confuse you and they stress you out. Since I come to the counselor, because I never know say me a counselor, me ratty judge. Girl, let him go and find one other man where you know you want you.
Never tell someone let him go. I love him. That's one, I just know what to do.
And then, you know, they beat you too?
No. No, you don't go
So,
cool.
when they do so for you? Wait, two me have one sister where our man, they keep one another woman. He might keep one another woman with my sister. Me I try remember a story how my sister said. She say, our man a give her bun. That's what he did say? Yes. And then, me see the man and the man say, a lie. Everybody a tell lie upon him. Him not give him woman no bun, a one woman him have, and a my sister. So me say, alright. Make sure say, you not give my sister no bun, because you see you me find out. Whosoever my brother-in-law they sleep with and they give me sister bun, they not go like it. Me not tell you no like although me not know if I sorry. And me never say you know. Me just actually me get ignorant because me no want no girl confused so they can come style my sister. Come me juke out them yai.
So where your sister?
No, look here, me not give out information for my sister.
Well, me want to know because
me just attack you to me in a temper and me will want to catch somebody where they deal with my sister then kind of way. Because you see that girl, she know say. That girl know say the man where she are there with have another girl. So why that the somebody that really know say the man have another woman and in they warn him up? I could have hold that there. But you see any day me find out, hey, heaven came down and glory filled their soul. Cause every day my sister come on my yard before she turn her fear yard. I stress me out with her man problem. Every day, what happened to you? Where you come up on my yard for? In gone again. And can bet say a girl yard in gone. So, I mean, if you take up all our business put on my head. Eh? You know what? Me can go about my business. See them when they can sit in fear. Because know, sometimes I know say the man no give her nothing for him. And you don't know where the man say he come from.
Where he come from?
Me I try remember his name. Some banana sitting another. But me no, make it on. Me I can't run go up the road. Must see banana walk or banana bush. But me have something to go look about somewhere up there so. And the lady a wait for me. So anyway, as me say, if your man a give him bun, if your man a give, not him, I mistake me make. I'm a man. Me can't say him. If your man a give you bun as a woman, is either you know discuss what is the problem they cause bun in a middle, or you leave the man and make him move on within life. But remember, do not keep two men at the same time. It will cost your life. You hear what me say? Me ain't know nothing. Me ain't know nothing. I know you're from nowhere at all. Out of the blues, me see you wish day. I know you come attack me again with your problem. But me I encourage you. Make sure say you not keep nobody man and talk to your man about the problem say you don't like it, you're uncomfortable. And make sure say, I know you are a bad one, you know. I him.
Me I know man. I him every day. Come on when you feel like me can't buy that. Stress out.
Alright. Mr. Fee say your man a give you bun. But nobody do what a man do, because you can't be a lady the same way. As me say, if you can talk about it, and you make up back and forgive you another, fine. But if you now walk out, left him and find another man where you know say love you, me gone later.
Alright then.
Who is it?
I mean, sis.
Come now.
What?
I must work, I want me to choke. I will happen make you come and me ask every time. You can't eat in peace. You give you want money from last night already. Where you want now? Hungry?
No,
Me know
I'm
it's when you come and
boring.
me yard. You sitting wrong. You see the reason why your man can't see a your yard with you? I don't have no jolly time together. Eh? You are a problem. No wonder why I give you a bun. You can't stay a little bit with a man. Give him little time.
Why you not feel like every time me come here, gone, the man gone, make me come here?
Yeah.
Yes.
That mean you're boring, cause no man now have no jovial woman around them and this run gone so.
Nah, no time for me travel with no man.
What you say?
Nah, no time for me travel with no man. Serious time.
So what you do with him then? If you don't want him, leave him alone, make him go on to a girl where you ball about say, him a give you bun with.
You ain't a ball.
Right now me want next thing about you.
Whenever I hear things that me can't hear.
Where you hear from you happen to? You're not done already. You still want here? Me say and him fight again. Do your back knee saying down there give you.
Oh, I say go.
All your mouth knee say they got bleed.
Same cycle.
You look hungry though.
Bad.
So you not get nothing to eat from money?
No, anything you hear, same cycle. But me they still just say me I walk come up like I know and they done there, me boring.
But me not give no now when I eat.
Me they want to know
Me
where
give you
I
money
eat.
last night already. You're too terrible.
Me they want to know where I eat.
You sure?
Yeah.
So, sit me and smoke up in my chicken. And you not tell me truth. You can't tell me say truth the man just gone out. So I eat. A big man, you know, me see, remember. I mean, if he want gone out on the road, maybe I'll want jogging, gone look and see why.
So me not say no, me walk come check here if you don't want me here, you
Just
tell me
say
to
he
come
gone
here
again
yard.
like you're vexing gone again. Or you think a woman in gone.
Gone so me gone too.
Boy, trouble there all that, Father God. Shanice, you're my sister. But me not encourage you to leave your man yard and come on my yard come hide you. You not no dirty clothes to wash.
No.
Your plate they wash your morning?
Yeah, wash them.
You sure say your house clean up?
Yeah.
You make me not believe you enough, cause for a long time for you the young lady
You know move like a me yard, so you me I left you.
For a long time the young lady nasty and then you used to wash up your plate. Remember say me alone used to wash your plate?
You hear me say me wash them, me say him wash them.
You didn't say wash them
yes.
still there? You have man a yard. And him have to dey cook, wash and clean. No, me not say they can't help you know.
You know
But
cook, wash
look
and
like
clean, you only a wash.
And what you a do? When
Cook
him a
and
wash the
clean.
plate, what you did a do?
Cook and clean.
No believe you enough, I don't look like you like to see if you clean up no way.
You know what me here, cause from me come here, they give me bad vibes.
Because you have nothing good to tell me. I mean, I want to say, cause you and your man go mash up, and me kasi.
What are you kasi?
Me no want to your man a give you bun, and me kasi.
Oh.
You understand? So me no know every minute you come over here, so. If when I not gone, your man gone, a bun in the gear, what your problem?
No.
So you can control your man, you want me control your man for you?
Candy, me I go back at me yard, cause from me come here and top this me. Yeah, the first thing, you know great, me good friend man. Me gonna me yard.
Sitting and sitting. Yeah, my sister, but me not trust her, me not tell her lie. Me don't trust her, me not trust her, sitting wrong.
That's how long she take, man.
Hello, sir. Good day. That's one man. He named
Huh?
Tugger from Banana Walk. You know him son, hot thing every day night, son? So where you look for, sir?
Me I look if in there. Cause me want to know if me I keep man here.
Just answer one question, where you going so far?
The amount of man in their prison. Some are later come out each day. Not just go down there one day go see if you find none that come out.
No, me want that one. That Tugger from Banana Walk.
And you look for him.
Yeah.
So who tell us he want to be found?
But me want to see him. Me know probably no one before him, but me want to see him.
Teaching them.
You know see him?
You see we don't know young ladies nowadays. When a man a try to hide from them, stay far from them, means they wanna do something wrong a yard. It's either run and cook good, or run and do it good, or run and wash good. 'Cause you see some man, when you not wash good, you know. You don't want to everything in a machine like say everything, so you have to clothes wash. You have to ladder them first, then you throw them in the machine. Machine I feel like over foreign. Because when they are foreign, your clothes are not dirty. But when they are Jamaica, machine can't wash out the dirt out of it.
Hello, sir. Me come here to ask one question. I never come here for your lecture me. You see him at Inat? There you go again. You see him pass?
Huh?
You see him pass go down do that over.
Oh yeah, me see him.
Okay, wait there.
Me see him. You see when they go to hell, ask the devil for him. Yeah, down there. I left him down there.
Come on.
I left him down at hell. Because no have to know if I make man. Or if me can know when man there. Me there away for one night to catch you and you come broke my vibes.
But just ask you one question. I you never perceive that I'm just simply tell you to ask you one question. You tell me go, oh, good on a hell, me see him, me got what call it? Prison, me see it. No, I want tug at the banner and I want man.
Check time one. Check time
See
one.
you see the man.
No, check time one. Go on. Yeah, driving. If you hold it good, you're not find him. Go on.
All are good.
Go on, man.
All are good. Tell me all are good.
If you hold it good, the man wouldn't escape and gone.
Hello, sir. Let me tell you something. Me can't stop a man from cheat. But me want me.
No. You can stop a man from cheat. Stop chat them nonsense.
Oh.
Treat the man with respect.
So you know me not
Show
like.
the man say him a the king of the house. Show the man say you're loyal. When you move shaky, the man a go out the road, go look something else too. You have to show the man loyalty. Loyalty is respect. If you date this a man today, you make sure you stay with him. You don't date this a man and then you jump down this and you jump down this and you jump defense. No, you don't do that. You stick to one man mama. You have to be loyal.
You know, say I wrong mistake make you stop and start talk to you ask about the man. You know, I'm going about my business. Me can't bother with you.
Why? God help them. Oh boy.
So it's on hot, no sir.
Oh, me glad to see you again.
Sorry.
Sorry about what dear. But me still access no tall man around the area. Cause me hears around that area and there, you know. And all me I walk and look for me can't find him.
Me see one tall man up the road up, so me ain't be turn up a time and if that the tall man they attack.
How you look?
In tall. In that talk to me and
What name?
I be at where they tell me.
What name?
Me never stop to ask me name, you know.
Oh Lord. If you see still you know. If you see I want face piece of man. How wonder if I him? How far you say you see him?
Up the road up with somebody that ask him about my problem. I want me know a man keeper, you know. Every time you see me attack me ask me for your man. You like man keeper?
Alright. No man no. No see.
Yeah, need to do that. And do not tap me again and for your man. Me help my man for how long and me can't get him. I mean, you not stop you ask you for him. Do not stop me again, miss. I'm going on business.
You know what? I don't want to be rude.
Yeah. Wait. Relax, no man. Check me at Kingston, yeah. Me there country, me there country. The money come down. Ah, tio. Cause mom's there, you know, say. Mom's to get $1,000 US. Yeah, man. Alright, me call you back. Oh, God.
What? No, I'm try to come and nobody taxi in the on the road.
I tell her, from the girl tell me say you're coming out, no.
Nobody taxi in the on the road, man.
Nobody taxi?
So me there for walk, come over the hill.
Alright, you know, so I'll carry out with chocolate and ice cream and then something there, but we'll go over here, I'll go spend some time, then we'll go up on the road. Cause we can't go up on the road.
You can't go up on the road, so you need to change.
You alright?
Yeah, me alright.
Your sister not there?
No, I'm not sure she there. I'm not really busy about her.
I'm glad because I don't want you to find me, you know.
Okay, how you go? Where are you going?
Say just badging, so I not remember say me not lock me door.
You doing there lock you? I'm lucky now.
Make it stay. Just make me door stay. Make me door stay, man.
No, I don't want somebody else badging. But
sister, I go in, I go in now, you know.
Well, this is a story now make you want to go. You say yesterday, I go up on a little date with Tom.
Yeah.
And it nice. I say, girl, we get chocolate. I say, a long time I get treated so. Say not happy or nothing.
Me I hear you. Just one talk. You make it hot all of a sudden. Me just
Yes,
It just get hot.
that me come to tell you some go on Stamp J to town. And they want give me number and guess I get all him number. Different somebody know him and set me up with him.
So, Shanice,
Pucci.
after me talk to you and tell you, say, you can't keep two men at the same time. You hide and go behind me back but make time give you
Me not really
money
keep
and
two
carry
man
out, go
one
get
time.
chocolate and all kind of sitting. And you know, say me and Tom have one deal. If he give me 200 US every time he need to get in touch with him, you go away with him.
Me ask you how much money are the deal, you never want to tell me. So you know what me do? Me make him pay somebody else $400 US to get in touch with me because I move too slow.
So you see, say you do so.
Because I move too slow. And every time I come here, they run me. Yesterday, what do you want me come here
Big
now?
up yourself.
So what do you want me come here, they eat a little fancy meal? You think me never want done? Me did want. But I told you that behave with me take pride and so my belly full. She never know me did hungry like a dog. That's why I did come up here.
You know want me make one little change.
Me did hungry like a dog
And
and
you
me
ready to
tired of the banana. That's why I come up here.
You ready to keep two man one time?
Yes.
And you don't want me make no money?
No.
So you want to do with Tom and you want to do with Tugga. From down a banana wara?
Yes, Tugga their banana walk and Tom their money plant.
So how is it if me know hypocrite for you?
You know what me want you
I'm
to
going
do?
to tell Tugga say you are there with Tom.
I can't do that, but you know what me want
can't
you
do
do?
it.
Me want you take 2 banana from Tugga and sell Tom and tell Tom say you're banana so Tugga can have money.
So who can have money?
Tugga.
So
I can get it back after.
How will you take me for? Eh? Sonny could send out and Sonny could cheese chip. Idiot, yes, girl, and yes, man. Look here. Come out of my place. Right now, I go when they go somewhere right now. I'm in the plan for no come back for a week. Me the plan on vacation and I better take 1 week. Me I take 2 weeks. Anyway, go on.
Lefiki.
No, me no want to
So how about when Tugga stress me to walk my back on release with Tom?
Fine time, yeah. So time you want to in my bed? You're crazy. Come out. You must be crazy.
Sometimes I not like telling nothing, you know. You're just
No,
bad
man.
mind.
Yeah, man.
Happy
Big up
for me.
yourself. You see the person who you make get that 400 US there, after you go behind me back, go diss me, go and go make them put up you on Tom when Tom want dig out your yam.
Tom can rent hotel. If you like Tom small, Tom have money. Yeah? Big red bag full of money Tom have up in yard.
It catch you. So you see you're unfair.
Are you
see you're
unfair?
You want to give your man bun and your man no figure no bun. Guess what? I did plan to beat the girl for you, but guess what? Anytime, although I no meet her yet.
You know
but
her?
Guess what? No, I no know
So how
her.
you gonna beat somebody you don't
We
know?
have to find out who.
Me a pay you.
Because no, me no want no money from you. Don't me have to wipe you out of my heart right now. We are sisters.
10,000 US?
No, me no want it.
What about 2,000?
At that money you want if and give me.
No, not that money be the chief. Time I open up one supermarket for me. So me go get the money.
So money time you sketch you go on to time and leave me alone.
So the money you did want to?
Yeah, but I work, me the work fee.
So the work you work
I
now?
go make you do with Tom and do with Tugga. I go make you left Tugga and do with Tom alone. But you want 2 man one time and when you done they come to me and come complain or my name Tugga they give you bun. No
So,
wonder why the man a fear give you bun because you have it in your intention long time. Who to telephone you first start?
You know say you when me start give the man bun. Cause you tell me say Tom have money, me idiot.
Me tell you say Tom have money and he will treat woman good. Me then tell you say if you with 2 man one time come out and me
But
place
me
and
not
mix
there
me
with
up.
him. We just collect the money. Who tell you say go down there?
So I
go down there.
I use Tom.
Maybe that.
Me need to see Tom. Me need to talk to him.
Everything, no girl. Me I go make you get 10,000 US.
No, you're not beating up again. You see the foolishness where you do behind my back and make a next girl?
A $400
collect $400 from Tom. And you know, say me did for you get the money they fi set you up on Tom. Girl, you're hypocrite against your own sister. I bet you left out of my place.
A $400
you know what
she get. You know much you get? 10,000.
That money enough for you. You can't tell much me get. Me done that the deal.
A 10,000.
You don't look like me go bad I get no money. Go on, man. Go on.
But
Go on, let me lock up my place. Me want come out now. Go on. Go on.
Come out.
Go on out of my place now. Me a going now with taxi man and wait for me. Go on. Then
you have taxi man now?
He just call me phone and tell me say I wait for me and I have to go stand up at bus park wait so till he come they can let off some people. Go on.
Later, but I don't keep carefully because I find me not. Tell us I'm not keep Tom in here.
Me I left my key, me look like a jackass to you, me I that. You go on where I go. Me could have ever left you see what you do to me and make me not get their money there, everything good. Worry yourself.
Poochie, I'm glad to see you again. You don't know, so my friend that was take my man.
I lie.
Yeah.
You find the girl? How
I
is
find
she?
her, but I find out who.
Oh.
Mm-hmm.
So when you are from, how is she?
I want to go get her near Shanice.
Shanice, where she come from?
I don't know, you know. But I can describe her to you.
Well, my sister named Shanice too. Although people can have the same name. What you say now? Want
She
something in your
short.
ear, you know?
What am here?
I shouldn't take it out for you, because you
Why
don't
not?
pay me. What go on? Eh? Alright, see you later. So money where you promised me if you go and sleep up in your yard, you not give me? Right now what time me I go there with you now, cause you see you now. Yeah. Oh.
Yeah, y'all think something about me different.
Me I think about you different.
Y'all think something about me different.
Eh.
Yes, sir. Nasty, but me nasty, Now tell me you know me. Negative on it with a
That me I think about you say nasty and negative and not care yourself clean. Eh?
negative.
So me know say you know what in my mind. Then if you know say you're nasty. If you know say you're nasty and me I think about you and say you're negative and not keep yourself clean, what make you not beard? And brush your teeth. You see it? Later man, me I talk to one girl right here, so little more. Later. 1 minute you see me a torment me. And you have money like a Tom. Anyway, I can't bother. It not follow me here. You see that dirty junkie man the way you see just come right just a little while. Everywhere you see me. Can't they know me like you? Can't they me say no call me name? Hear him. Oh, so if you call you Poochie then stop call out me name make people hear. I want to you man. Anyway, as me they tell you now, say cause you come cut me story. My sister named Shanice too. So, this come like a coincidence. So that the girl the way I take your man named Shanice.
Yes, Shanice, she name, but me don't know where she come from.
Twing! Alive. You don't know where she come from, so we cannot find out. How she look?
She short. She want to put bottom around there, and her hair cream, and her face big.
Alive. But that description the way you give me, wait there. My sister short. She named Shanice. And her body cock up. And in her forehead kind of buff out with you. But why two people feel the same? I don't know one them are not twin. Where are they? Where she come from? Wait, where your man name?
Toga. From Banana Walk.
Eh?
Yeah.
So are you?
Eh?
All this while. How you hear about me? So I know you know say you and my sister keep the same man make you when they come to me and they go on like I say somebody tell us me can encourage you good. Make you, and they use the head for me girl. Tina, how you do? You didn't know say you and my sister keep the same man and you can't trick me or what? Oh you go, talk to me.
Me know we are talking about in the car right now. Me didn't know say your sister take my
no,
man.
cause me confused. How long you say you and Toga there?
Me and Toga there for we are going to school years now. And me selling banana them all the while.
You did tell me one time say 3 here.
Yes, years.
So,
3 years.
3 years.
Mm-hmm.
But so my sister they about 7 years.
So wait there. You know cheap and him sick for your sister with me.
Then
and me think say me alone.
You know, look here, me go tell you something and you not go believe. My head no good. Me dey on medication. You see last time me go to Barbados, left me medication on the plane. Me plan to beat the girl where they did with me sister man. But you see to me find out say is a nice girl. And my sister freed me up the other day cause me didn't want to deal with one next man pertaining to my sister. And my sister mess up it. Me not tell her my sister, but me plan to bust up your face. Me no know say you, but no for your argument, for your statement, matching to for me argument, the two argument combined together. Are you and my sister keep the same man? Girl, me not tell her something. Me not tell her something, but me never know say you are there with my sister man neither cause me wouldn't chat to you. But now me find out say you is a nice person. And my sister is a hypocrite against me. Right now, she make a girl get 400 US when me did forget. Guess what? Me meet you. I'm glad to me meet you in a peace. Me not go get grieve. So don't worry yourself. Me not do nothing. You see, as for now on, me your friend. Me done with my sister. Me wipe her off out of my heart. You understand me? Because she's a hypocrite against me. You know what? Hear the deal when they go down with and she mess it up. But guess what? Do like you know say. And my sister and you are keep the same man. Keep him same way. My sister is a little rich. She want have 2 man one time, I'll do a 7 year, and you go keep her man, you know. But no, me know why her man have to give her bun. Me not put myself in a no trouble and no wrong and tingerenge sake and nobody. Me a cut out them sitting there. The ignorance and if a fight and I come fight girl and a fight man for my sister. God give her 2 hands. She must know where she and her man have make her man have the gear bun. Anyway, girl, me glad for meet you and me did glad say. Me meet your friend Kai if I win. Just know me meet you and me find out say, you. Where you say name Tina, they give me not tell online, but I don't know what that's about. Girl, thank God, me sleep on right side last night. Which side you sleep on?
See right side.
Sleep back on it tonight. Because your goose would have cook if me did sleep on the left side. Me and your friend as from today. So you see, as from now on, me I go line up Toga figure enough money and make shit make
Cause me love Toga, you know.
You love him.
Yes, I mean no want nobody feel take him from me. Me love
But
Toga.
are you take my sister man, don't do it.
Where me want hold him.
Mind, be careful how you talk, not because you hear me say my sister mess me up, you know. Mind what you do. Come in mind easy if you change, you know, like a green guana. Don't do it. Just take time and keep him, not take him too hard. Take your time and keep him same way. Act like you know find out says Pooch's sister man you they keep. When you see her, when you find out who name Shanice, do like you not even know say a fear man. Cause you see, she will want come friend me up for me come fight you. Me know she stay.
Wow.
Yeah. Right now me tell her say me I go spend 1 week. I 1 week me go spend, but you see what she do me? A 2 week me attend, me not even want to see she. Anyway, little more here.
Alright then.
Alright.
Thanks.
There, you can't knock. You know if you knock. You just come open up my door, son.
Oh, email with me care now. What more than that?
Because they are coming at me, no room if you knock.
You don't need to knock. I am alone in here.
Oh, you know me alone in here.
Why you feel in here?
Anyways, I'm there. I feel bad.
You feel bad?
Yeah, I'm weak.
You want everybody want some rest. Stop when you bed 3-4 o'clock in the morning. Your body need to rest. Just sleep out during the rest of the day and your body will feel better. Yeah.
I'm pregnant.
You what?
Pregnant.
Pregnant?
Pregnant. Where the babe suffer? Somebody can't pregnant.
See, oh, I can't mean because I'm in a letter in a it.
Let me never tell us you feel one. There's a 50-50 chance.
There's no chance.
If I know you earn, then somebody else in the business.
So you have a next man.
You know, give me one.
Let me get born. Me tell you that Easter yet. Oh, me feel get born and then Easter.
Well,
you see me get born coming here?
Well, me that talk to a man and you have money. So, it ends up that one day we go drink and it end up in my panty.
You just end up in your panty.
Never him come. Never him come in there or you, but a 50-50%. If I know you, I him, and if I know him, I you. But listen to me now. Listen to me now.
Me.
The man have money. You know we can take the money and extend the banana walk.
Oh. No man money not spend for me. Look at me.
And you to spend.
No man money not spend for me. You take your man galang. You and the man galang. Me no business. You and him gone. Me I left you. But me and you done as from today.
Why we done?
As from today, me and you ain't nothing. If you see me on the left, you take the right.
So you have
if you see me in front of you, you turn back. If you see in front of me, I turn back. Me and you ain't nothing. Because I can't believe you just skip, man. Why you do that?
I just skip and jump one time. We never skip again. I come here
I'm
to
a
top chat.
liar. See, uno girl pick
You
me.
liar. You liar.
What proof you have of me and gay bun?
People mouth.
People more. But you know, see me the two guy there. Me tell you, say, no, Easter yet. Me no care no bun coming here.
Me not see her yet.
Just know so we done. The link cut. The link broke. Everything gone down the drain. Look so.
So I still there start chat.
The good gone suffer for the bad. Remember me tell you.
Nah, suffer.
Oh, before me leave, them say confession good for the soul. They say me there give bun and the whole bakery did I get while you play your little innocent role. You think me don't know it? You think me don't know your boy upscotch? The whole bakery did I get.
But
Me
the
a go
saddest
down to
part
my
about
woman
it
right
is,
now.
but she don't have no money. And the banana she gonna help you sell. Instead you upgrade, you downgrade. Oh, your money are smaddy.
You know, say me I walk on up, I'm glad me see out of someone for coming in your dirty lane. But come to tell you I'm pregnant.
Pregnant for what?
Baby pregnant for one, I must baby. But there's a pregnant for who?
Mama, me not ready for no pitney yet.
Well, me nah, near me.
Me have 3 pitney already.
See, you tell me that.
Why should I? Mama, me don't want no pitney yet. You couldn't push it out.
Push it out, oh.
You push out the cum, you turn up and make it run
Me never
out.
know you come in there.
Or you drink water.
Why you never tell me see you come in there?
I'm pissed. A man, let me teach you something. I always tell a woman, no, listen. A man's job is just to get as much woman he can. And a woman's job is to just stick to one man. That's all. You can't blame me.
So myself me for blame?
Yeah.
Listen to me, I am pregnant. And you see the man when me did have the banana back, him say, him done with me and him a got, but me they get born on because me never need him anyway, can't have no money. So, then if you go on, are you are the owner now?
Me are the owner? Listen, man, give him the title, do.
You give me title and you know say me can feed himself. You don't see little banana them when myself now sell.
But me not have no money neither, mama. Me tell you already. You see money when me carry go for a date with.
Listen to me.
I borrow that the money.
Then you have to go borrow again. Cause me not dash you away. And me not give him no jacket.
Me not borrow.
You think of funeral time? Let me give him suit for where go. Eh?
Enough man out there has suit and can't even wear it.
Well, me not give him no suit. He no need no suit.
All the picking not even like that fit me neither.
How will that fit?
Nothing.
You dey irritate me now.
Yeah,
Yeah, irritate me. Don't tell me the foolishness. And how you have 3 picnic and I never know about them.
Well, that is for another story. Next time when you look at man, you check them background. You always have to check them background. You better ask me what my name. That's what you do.
I take my man.
Hey!
That's how with my man.
Where you
Your
do
man
that
name? Cause Tom could never be your man.
Hello, I know Tommy name.
I know Tommy name.
Okay, I know Tommy name.
So you say lie.
Why you do yourself with my man?
Me tell a lie.
Tom, same don't have no woman.
A lie.
And right now I'm pregnant.
Baby, a lie.
I'm come to him for tell him I'm pregnant and he want me turn round and give him my jacket.
Relax no man. Relax no.
What you mean you're not a woman?
Listen.
After Tom tell me his name, that's why when he ask me for Joe.
Joy name.
So are they Joe head that?
Yes, that's said one yeah.
My name Joe
Mama.
Williams.
I beat me for
Okay, that's why I walk around and I tell other woman different name.
No,
you know how long me I look for you?
Baby, me no last. When you send the money to Western, me no last.
Okay. So you take the money of my girl.
So for your money you take care me got date. That's why you know have no money. Wait no mama. I don't take your money now. Your man changing personality. I say you change everything about him. He said I'm Tom, not Joe.
No.
So listen to me. And your man you feel what I'm being.
Let me go. Let me go.
Come go on to the picnic then now. Come.
So she have the 3 picnic them read.
I'm a good
So you don't plan to take care of my picnic.
You better move with the bastard picnic, yeah?
Okay!
Come
You
here.
have the heart.
Come.
You have the heart to tell me about bastard. Watch out. So
Watch
yo
out.
man run up on me.
Let me go.
So let me go.
Let go of my hand.
No, listen up. We can't talk about this. We could just talk over this.
You, take for yourself.
Me I go want me pitney
Let me say.
maintenance and me
Look.
pitney things them.
You know.
No,
You
listen.
come.
What?
We have a lot of things to that if it's deal with you come.
How would that knock down the door?
One and only.
One and only.
No more Shanice. Push up the door. Up the door, Poochie.
You can't just push it.
Oh.
I tell you, if you push it, you know, me never say if you pop it off.
No.
When I chop your mouth, so where you eat?
Bubble gum.
So where you get that?
Come on, get beat me by some more think. Somebody have to freshen up my mouth.
So. Come here, you're going too far. Come over here. Me know when you sit down on me.
Your old table.
Dining table. Yeah, make me stay right here, so.
Girl, chop me, you know. I'm gonna say if in there firm.
You're not giving no time to talk about girl chuck your ass.
What you need to talk about? You need to let me to explain to you.
So far, we don't know. So weird.
Wait. Ready?
So if the girl never tell us your mouth thing and beat you up, you would know if you buy bubble.
No. Cause all along me I use Colgate, but it look like it not getting.
Oh God. I want to feel your birth.
Seem like it expire.
Anyway, where you come about? Cause me don't know where.
Confidence say I gotta beat me up and why you call help me beat her back.
Yeah?
You see Tom and then write name. In name. The girl say name. To the girl beat me never have no sense. But me tell you. The girl say our man no name Tom. Our man named Peter.
What that mean?
The man tell me like, you know, I don't like talk to you no man.
The same guy where
have the money.
Tell me say, he might go give me 200. Remember say me make come to an agreement saying he give me 200 US for me hook up you to him. Are the same money I talk about?
Yes, and him tell me same name Tom.
So you come to me about it for?
Can me get beat up?
So what if you get beat up? I mean beat you up? Girl, let me tell you something.
You know say me no
let me clean my throat for that one here. Let me tell you something. Shanice me your sister, but me not rate you again. Me take back my ratings. Me used to fight girl for you for a long time days until now me they fight girl for you. Me top. You know why?
Can you make some of the $200?
$200 loan woulda get. Woulda still continue and get money, but you make me not get none at all.
Me da gonna make you get $10,000. You say no, you don't want you to show off. So you pop back on a vacation, rest of the year. You go on the vacation already?
Just listen me and listen good what you do to your own sister. And tell me if you fear. Remember say you live with your man and you and your man not agree. Me don't plan say when me know the woman where you say I cheat with
me not really live with the man.
It no matter.
But visit the
me
man.
Me don't care. Are your man where you there with? Me no care. He come
me and somebody else man. I don't feel me man alone.
Me just tell you something. You don't listen to me. So how much man you want to have? You see same thing when me I tell you?
If
but
you
this 2-man thing.
Have one man, and your man a cheat by you, where you go to left?
Shanice.
No, me a cheat back.
Shanice, me no want to go back over that again. Listen what me I say, and listen to yourself what you say, and see if what you say makes sense. Just try pick sense out of nonsense when me I say to you. Shanice, after me and you don't talk what me I go do already, when we find out who your man, where you did have before you go pick up Brockwackle, where you can't say have different name now. Remember saying, me and the man make some arrangement, we come to agreement where he will pay me $200.
But you never tell me how much money.
You no matter if me tell you or not, me and sister, me tell you say, man, I'll pay me if you line you up on it.
But you never tell too long.
Go back and me back, go make one next girl get $400 for a man, so a man not give me not even $1. Shanice, listen this if that fear. You're wicked to me, you turn hypocrite for me. So me lose all of them the money there, you know me have my bills them for pay. That a wickedness. Then now you find out, say the man where you see a man where you make me not get the money from. You hide behind my back. You go there with the man. No you chat about the same man where you go hide and there with girl beat you up. What that have to do with me? All that concern me, girl, you have to take a lick them. Take a lick. That no concern me. Me always go bus girl ask you. Me tap. Me used to do it, but me stop. Me no want hear nothing from you. Better you go on here yard. You hear me?
Move right.
I mean, I know why rain have to come down when you come on me yard.
I said, I send me one.
Yeah.
So you not come beat the girl?
No, me not beat no girl for you again. Me tired. Because me can't the work for you and you can't
I
do me
wash
no
my hand clean
You
after.
wash
You
your
see, you
hand
put
clean?
it, you ask for yourself. 200 15, 30 Jamaican dollar.
And a $20 loan me go get. Every time
A $200 loan they go get. Me nena make you name him done before me
Me
done.
alone can't take off you all my money, so me when go get some money each time you want to talk to you on my phone until you and him hook
So
up
me
the
have phone.
No, me never give me a number. That means
Listen to me.
know what we talk
Listen
about.
to me now, no.
And you go behind me back.
Listen to me now, Poochie. The girl have to get beat up. By the hook or the cook, you have to come.
Me not beat up nobody for you, sorry.
Me not come out to your yard, so glad we not fall. You not no steak.
No, me not.
You not no ham.
No, me not nothing for you.
You not no pork.
Me not have nothing for them up here.
You hungry, I mean, no want no sardine.
No bother with me. Me like me sardine. Make me name me. Me no want no steaks. Me no used to it. Me allergic to steaks. Make me name me sardine and me king mackerel. Because you no used to them sit there. You used to lobster and stuff. So I man them have to give you so. And if you go look next. Watch out she a search for my bags. That no wonder why the other day me missing me $100.
You know, no, so I feel like you want give me. You buy a plate though.
Take it. No bother. Just take it and go on. Go on.
A thief in can't alone use for hot plate, you know. I can cheap when I buy. But it was nice coming over here to know that you won't be beating up the girl for me. But now where your head is, if you not beat her, I'll go pay somebody to beat her.
Go on, go put yourself in a trouble. No call me name and no give no police me number. Go on, take that and go on. Go on, come and
No.
look for you and me chingum. Like you never see council. Take you and go on with it. Take you again.
Boy, you can't name mackerel so. No, I know mackerel.
I mean name mackerel, yeah. Go on, go eat.
Come out to your stale house and you don't need to fix good cause every time you come here something new wrong with your house.
You know what you need to do? And you so ring and feisty. Tap take people man and go fight for yourself. Me not fight no girl for you cause no me they take people man. Go on.
You see?
She come back.
Me I gotta take the money and me I gotta karate class and me go learn for
Alright.
And you see when me learn?
Yeah.
All you me a come.
Yeah, man, go
Watch.
On. Dream your dream.
Me don't talk to you now.
Go on. You. Hey girl, me fight you know. Hey girl, around me I do me assist me hold you know. Me tell to warn you and tell you say, keep one man. You love people man and you don't want your man your money. And that's the for you. Girl should have pop your head. Me don't know you come up here so far and I can't take all my things.